Nice. We can continue. So, so this is AG rule as well. So we have to talk about what is the intended learning outcome every lesson as well. So for session 1, we have learned about mastering P5JS fundamentals, which includes like canvas, shapes like rectangle, and you also make your own face. And then we also talk about some AI generative concepts like randomness, noise, and also some fundamental concepts about AI, like what is the difference between traditional AI and generative AI and stuff. So, and then we have made a interactive digital self-portrait as well, where you have used some random noise elements and also some interactivity with the portrait. Yeah.
I have portrait.
And then, yeah, this is the agenda of this session. So we'll be mainly doing 3 things. So the first thing is about kinetic foundation. So we'll talk about how PostNet works, and then what is the state machine for motion, and then we'll do some calibration. So you'll get to know what PostNet is, and then PostNet is like a library. So what library means is an extension or a plugin of P5JS. So it's like a component inside P5JS. And then second thing we'll do is a workshop called Body as Brush. What it means is that we'll use our movement, our body movement, like hands, and to create some arts. And we got like different difficulties as well. So you'll get more hands-on stuff in here. And the third one is we'll talk about some ethical stuff of AI or generative art in general. And some privacy bias, and also some other stuff for the final project. Oh, by the way, in the final project, we'll talk about, so as you can see in the questionnaire, there's 6 sessions, right? And in the 6th session, we'll talk about AI in arts, so in visuals, in sound, and also in motions, so post-net. So in the final project, we'll try to combine everything you have learned throughout the sections. So, and my thought is we can create something more fun, because it's rather boring if you just create something that is for the lesson, right? So I've introduced a game making process. So you can create a game that uses motion, visual, so like you can use AI to create some arts, and also we can use AI to create some sound. And we use all those to create a game, essentially. So a game with all those elements. So yeah, this is the intended learning outcome. So yeah, so we'll talk about how to interact visuals with P5JS and AI techniques in arts, and also collaboration on generative art AI projects. So this is what we have set up already. So we're gonna need P5JS environment, which is we have set it up already. So we are using cursor now, which is a lot easier. Or if you want to use a harder way or challenge yourself, you can use this one as well, P5JS web editor. So in that use case, you don't have to install cursor. You can just use P5JS web editor, but you don't have the AI for this one, so you have to code yourself, essentially. And then later we'll talk about ML5.js library as well, which is the, how to say, so it's like a library, is like an extension. So for example, if you are using Chrome browser, there's a bunch of extensions. So if you think Chrome is with too limited functionalities, you can use library for adding additional features. So it's like extension to P5JS. And this ML5.js library contains stuff like PostNet, and so we will need internet and CDNs for accessing this library. But yeah, so, but I guess this is fine for you guys because all of you have run the P5JS library just now. But essentially, for software, we always use something simple to test if our environment is working, because sometimes you have to do some environmental configuration. but it's fine for us. And here's a little recap. So we've built a generative self-portrait and 3 things. So the first thing we've used is some shapes and some noise to create the basic image. And then we talk about the concept of MVP, which means create something simple first. And then you use some prompting techniques like role context, output indicator, and you create the basic skeleton portrait. And then we also add some other elements like randomness and also noise pattern inside. And by the way, for random, you can make it more repeatable. So random is random every time, right? So you want to make it less random. So I think you have played Minecraft before. So when you're creating a world, there's a place for seed code. What it does is that if you're placing the same seed code, the random terrain or the random world generated every time will be the same. So this allows others to replicate or see what you see. So sometimes you want to set this random seed code to make the output more consistent. So when others view your artwork, they will see the same as what you see. Yeah, and then we talk about the difference between random and noise. The random is unpredictable. It's like casino. So you want to gamble and you don't want others to know what you get, right? So random. Noise is terrain. Somehow random, but not very random because of distribution, random and normal distribution. And then if you're using seeds makes the artwork more reproducible, so you can know how it. Oh yeah, this is Minecraft. So the word generation use the same logic as the seed for random generation. So if you're giving the same seed, you get the same world with the others that use the same seed. Oh yeah, quiz time. So we got a Kahoot quiz, but wait a second. I'll make this shorter. It's so hard.
It's been 10 years since I played a Kahoot.
I'm not joining. No, we're doing it together. Is it okay?
Wait a second.
I still have practice. They actually practically ditched one Kahoot at this point.
I'll find the link for joining.
Mr. Jennings has left. He's like.
Wait a second.
Kahoot.
I'll find a link for
Every.
getting it.
Yeah, he left. He left.
I just hope they change the password.
Oh, I like the theme what you're using.
What
I love
theme?
the theme.
What theme?
I don't know.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah. So this is a very simple quiz for. Have you all used Kahoot before? You know how to use this, right?
Sir, I forgot how to use Kahoot.
You don't know.
It's been so long.
Same for me. Longer for me. And you just enter this website or the app and then you.
Are nicknames
Just
allowed?
put the
Yeah,
pin.
of course. Just use whatever name you like. It's not a very formal quiz, so you can just.
Random boy, yes indeed.
But not those 2 random names.
Nerdy penguin.
Rhythm boy. I thought you were
Rhythm
Lemon
boy.
boy.
Rhythm boy.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Go be. Music is so loud.
I can
This
hear
one.
Look.
And Österreich.
Gemini. Google Gemini. Nuggets.
Nuggets.
Österreich. Österreich. Wait.
Asterite.
Alright, do you want to help me change?
Oh my goodness! That's you.
Wow.
Yeah, let me change this.
How?
Let me change this. Let me change
Why do you make a cruise long bot? That's you, I swear.
Oh, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't like answer questions.
What just happened?
Just kick them. Like it's harmful.
What have you done?
You have a few million!
No, there's only
How do you do
25.
that, bro?
What?
There's a
Who did
Python
that?
script for that.
Who did
Why?
that?
There's literally a Python like module that you can
Oh,
download
that means it's you.
from PIP.
This is unethical hacking.
That's so you.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's
mine.
art.
Actual Pete.
No.
Well, yeah, you put my name for every single one of the fake bot things.
Nah, but this is actually
Eunice.
Pete.
That was not me. That was like someone here. That's
Are
like
you all in?
actual
Oh.
person.
I thought like Eunice from NAI.
So many bots.
It's only 25.
Are you all in? All in?
Yeah.
All in. Nice. Then we can start.
Yeah, I like the rest that you
Dude, connection loss. Okay.
It's a
Okay, buddy. Okay,
Wi-Fi is
whatever.
so bad. I just WhatsApped you about the Wi-Fi.
We are drawing area. I'm just gonna say it.
It starts a game with guys.
I sent a message
Just
on
like a
WhatsApp
school.
saying how bad the Wi-Fi is. Just
oh yeah, because you have the bots, so it didn't end when everyone answered.
Wait, so how many questions are there?
Oh my goodness,
I don't
why?
know which ones are bots. So many. Because
It's just the ones saying
Oh my
please
god,
walk.
the boss. Right. You can just
Thanks.
skip. You can skip.
Skip?
Yeah,
you
you're
can
so
skip.
nice.
nice.
Oh my god,
Gay,
the
gay, gay.
I can
Discord.
make them answer questions if you
Organic
want.
randomness.
Okay.
It's see it random. Oh, floor.
Floor is it like
Hmm,
round down,
floor.
right?
Yeah.
The ceiling is round down, floor is round down. Round seats the ceiling.
Should I skip?
Oh. Yeah. That's my phone. I'm sorry.
What the?
Which theme should I use for my?
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm not first. I'm sad.
Just gonna copy.
Playing on mobile actually gives like slight buffs. For mouse. Yeah, you press it faster.
I got everything correct, but I pressed this wrong.
I'm also slow.
Supposed to have how many? 21 or 22?
Oh my god! I literally just installed JetBrains Mono.
Please let me be first,
Why
please.
does it need me to install JetBrains Mono?
Please, someone mess up.
What have you done?
Yo, what's wrong?
It works.
Huh?
I chose to.
I have to talk
And also this Game Boy.
Whose
No
noise
way.
Whose noise
No
boy
way.
five?
It's like it's only 4 points. Shit.
What is? Oh my god.
Why do you call the lips?
It's
Why is it you?
Oh, typo. Yeah, have you run?
Yellow.
It has with yellow.
Oh wait,
Yes.
look. Hey, look, it's an R.
Six.
Bro.
31 is correct.
Oh my god.
Who's win 27?
How?
Who's
I'm only 4 points away. I'm
I'm
so
in
sad.
6th
I'm
place.
bragging.
I'm in
If you have
6th
clubs,
place for
if
the
you have
entire
clubs.
thing.
Phil. It's usually Phil. To be fair, in my case, it's always Phil.
If
That's
the
my
stuff is
main goal.
eating me,
No, it's actually true though. As in processing. I have processing. That's it.
Your boss, right? Is it your boss?
oh yeah, it's when
Okay.
it's 21, just skip.
Okay.
Yay.
No,
You
I'm a
misleaded me. Now
failure.
I'm in 8th.
But sometimes it's this
Oh,
one.
we won?
I'm
On the
6
podium.
now.
Oh.
So,
I was 6th, and now I was 8th.
I'm sad. I'm now 6.
I'm sad.
Often uses what? You train guys. Image compression.
Blue.
YouTube uses image compression.
Everything uses image compression.
Sometimes not. I only compress stuff
Very
after
low.
I've rendered it. Like if I record something and then I edit the video. And then after I render, oh, Rhythm
What?
Boy,
Oh no, controlled!
Rhythm Boy, stop.
In the self-portrait, or the noise helps the noise.
I'm quitting.
How do you make the ball into the quiz?
解錯咗，係咪藍色？係啊，解錯咗。
This is so stressful. Oh, boom. I hit my usage limit. What?
Yeah, I also hit my usage limit. Now I can't generate.
You can choose another mode.
Which mode?
No, leave PowerShell.
I'm sad now.
唔係喎，呢個係
Oh yeah, at least I got a fancy
呢個
cursor.
HTML。
At least I got my.
I got a fancy cursor that's been.
I also got a fancy cursor that launches a missile. And when
Yes.
it touches the drone, it says lock
係啊，
on the
我
target.
唔知佢呢個 HTML 嘅
I have no idea how well I'm
Those
But yeah, I actually have more points than you.
Draw.
Oh, this is a common.
I'm joking so hard. You have more points. How dare you? I find that
I was
not
stuck
so
at
cool.
6 the whole time. And then you got the few questions wrong. Now I know.
藍色隻黃。
Yay!
I
Oh, come on.
followed
You're
Cruiser.
fourth! Behind gay boy.
Yeah, you
No.
missed the light.
How do you...
Oh, we didn't do this.
Oh no.
Let's guess. Let's skip this one already. But you can guess. You can guess the answer. I guess it's rather.
Which one?
Can I sabotage you? It's the square.
Actually,
I sabotaged you.
I should have not followed you and actually answered.
Seriously though, it's Eunice.
See,
Ow. I'm back.
We're back.
I'm back. Ow. Ah.
I'm gonna do a bit more unethical hacking.
How do you make that? You cut it wood?
There's a Python script you can find on
Do you
GitHub.
have an eraser?
Just
Not
for
funny.
hacking.
Not funny. We freaking crashed our servers at Cthulhu.
It'll crash my computer before crashing your computer. Because I'm posting all the logs on my own computer. The max is like 60.
Alright, fine.
Computer can handle.
Yay.
I quit.
Okay, boys. I lost my streak.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Where's the server? What?
Randomness.
Please say static randomness, I have no idea.
Slay.
What is bro talking about?
我淨係聽過第一個。
So cute, right?
應該29定10個都係佢。
No.
That's a no one there.
Is it random though?
What browser do you use?
I juggle between Google and Fox Mozilla Firefox.
I use R.
我唔係厭啦。
Yay! Yay, I'm happy now.
I think was really.
因為佢就打井咁樣就要
Oh, no, this is
開
happy
佢
now.
係啊，
Wait, oops. I accidentally pressed
數字或者
ML training pipelines indeed. Actually, it is ML training pipeline.
I accidentally pressed the wrong thing. Like
You're
I
maxing
just-
the king.
no, I was just like pressing this repeatedly. I didn't know it was the next question. So I'm gonna sabotage this guy.
What did he do?
Maybe accidentally pressed the wrong thing.
Yay! No way, the bot! The bot is botting! I'm scared now.
What?
Debug visual bugs, console log. Only console log. I log console. Please. Please be correct.
Well,
Also
I
be
use
sad.
console.log
Console.log is.
for like
Yeah.
running.
It's fine, I'll say.
But I always use
Then what's
I
Then what's better? Explain.
I'm scared. I'm genuinely scared. You have bots. You have a fleet of 25 bots.
I can do 50. but
Yay!
that's-
Do not do 50.
Monster.cog.
That's like the max.
I'll
that
pray.
the third can have.
Podium.
Wow.
Keyboard.
Win.
I think
Seriously? Oh, yeah, a second. Also, what did you do with the bot?
Do not.
There's a Python script for that.
Do not the
One
bot.
of the bots said answer free. I'm scared now.
Do not the bot.
It's just too large to change the number of bots and the code.
Can you please send a fleet next time? Look at that.
No, we
Nah,
don't have
run
to do
run
that.
this on a Raspberry Pi on a Docker container.
What is this?
Python,
What is
like
this?
search like Python bot. Like and
Dude, I wonder if it uses Selenium.
So many
Bots.
advertisement. So many bots.
I can't believe it's so
Oh, you
easy.
use the Arc browser.
Art, yeah. Art is really nice. Not that much.
I love Org.
I used to use Arc and then I jumped back to Firefox. I have no idea why, but it did.
Firefox just shut down their China.
Wait, for real?
What?
Yeah, they just shut down their.
Bruh, okay.
What?
2 days ago, I think.
I use
Bruh,
Chromium for
okay.
web and then Firefox for like Firefox.
But not the Hong Kong one. It's just the
Oh, thank goodness.
Gaulian,
mainland
Gaulian.
mainland
you
Firefox.
still haven't replied to me on WhatsApp.
Oh yeah. So after that, so we have to set up our postnet. So in postnet, we have to include the ML5.js library first, which is the thing that allow you to use postnet. You have to add this line. You don't have to add it because cursor will help you to add that when you're using postnet stuff. So
Sir, may I use the toilet, please?
yeah, just go straight here. And then, yep, so, and for postnet, because it is a library for capturing your motion, so you have to have your webcam available, and you have to allow your browser to capture you in the camera when it asks you to. There might be a box saying that, do you want to allow the browser to use the camera, and then you say yes.
My dad
essentially.
has an IE subscription. On
E.
one.
And here's a demo, a really short code using postnet. So what postnet does is that it has a video and then the width and the height of the video, and then you run postnet, of course. And the postnet model just it is trained already, so it directly helps you to detect on your posts. So I'll show you an example later. So
Yeah, you're charging them.
Yep. And postnet takes a little time for loading everything up because it is bigger than the other library. So yeah, some time. And this is the first part, so about postnet setup and kinetic foundation. So you can see a guy here. So if you imagine, for example, when you're doing motion sensing, you wanna
It keeps giving me.
look into that guy's joints, you do joint detection. And this is what postnet does, is that it helps you to do joint detection, 关节 detection.
I have.
Yeah, so a guy over Einstein looks like this.
It's
AI further process is like this, and then to detect its motion. For example, yellow is his hand. Then if the hand turn 45 degrees, then he's waving high. Oh, this is a video about postnet. Ding.
Is that Mr. Says?
Really?
Library, P5JS library, and track your body in the browser in real time. The model, as I mentioned, that I'm looking at is called PoseNet. With any machine learning model that you use, the question you probably want to ask is, what are the inputs and what are the outputs?
use it.
In addition to each of these X, Y
Some
coordinates,
curse
it's going
gets
to give you
involved.
a
No, it's not.
Like this happens.
And what do all these X, Y coordinates correspond to? They correspond to key points on a PostNet skeleton. And skeletons, as an anatomically correct skeleton, is a set of what is 17
Sans.
here, from the nose all the way down to the right ankle, that is trying to activate.
So it detects those organs from your body.
Oregon.
Position of your
Theory.
For those positions.
Can I have the kidney?
No.
How about the liver?
About those points. One other important question you should ask yourself and do some research about whenever you find yourself using a pre-trained model out of the box. Something who trained that model? Why did they train that model? What data was used to train that model? And how was that data collected? PostNet is a bit of an odd case because the model itself, the trained model, is open source. You can use it, you can download it. There's examples for it in TensorFlow and TensorFlow.js and ML5JS. But the actual code for training the model, from what I understand or what I've been able to find, is closed source. So there aren't a lot of details. The data set that's used often in training models around images is COCO, or Common Objects in Context. And it has a lot of labeled images of people striking poses with their key points marked. So I don't know for a fact whether COCO was used exclusively for training PostNet, whether it was used partially or not at all. But your best bet for a starting point for finding out as much as you can about the PostNet model is to go directly to the source. The GitHub repository for PostNet, in fact, there's a PostNet 2.0 coming out. I would also highly suggest you read the blog post Real-Time Human Pose Estimation in the Browser with TensorFlow.js by Dan Obed and editing and illustrations from Irene Alvarado and Alexis Gallo. So there's a lot of excellent background information about how the model was trained and other relevant details. If you want to learn more about the COCO image data set, I also would point you towards the Humans of AI project by Philip Schmidt, which is an artwork and online exhibition that takes a look at the data in that data set itself. If you found your way to this video, most likely. Oh, sorry.
我知係咁怪佢個第一個 check。
哦。
Hello and welcome to another beginner's guide to machine learning. I'm up to content. What data do you process? I don't know for a fact whether
佢會白，佢其實佢做嘅佢最後會到大概咗佢會爆。
GitHub repository for PostNet coming
我
out.
知係
I
咁
would
怪
also
嘅。
highly suggest you read
最
the blog post
最
Real-Time
爆
Human
呢
Pose
廿四
Estimation in the
個
Browser
鐘，
with TensorFlow.js by Dan
但係有啲人去
Obed
廿
and
三個
illustrations from Irene
我見
Alvarado
過
and Alexis Gallo. So
推
there's a
分
lot
咗
of
落幾個
excellent background
廿
information
嘅
about how the model was
佢
trained
廿
and other relevant
Why is the second
If you want to learn more about this COCO image data set, I also would point you towards the Humans of AI.
Oh yeah, by the way, this YOLO dataset that is this YOLO model that is used here, it is the model for autonomous driving. So if you're interested in autonomous driving, robotaxi and stuff, YOLO is one of the easiest model you can try to work on. By that model itself, you can get like 98% accuracy. I've tried it before, and that is for autonomous driving. So it do object detection, which it detects if you're a cyclist or a driver or a human or a block, and then it do, and then you can use it for autonomous driving.
Project by Philip Schmidt, which is an artwork and online exhibition that takes a critical look at the data in that data set itself. If you found your way to this video, most likely you're here because you're making interactive media projects, and PostNet is a tool that you can use to do real-time body tracking very quickly and easily. It's frankly pretty amazing if you can do it with just a webcam viewer. So one way to get started, which in my view is one of the easiest ways, is the P5 website, the P5JS library, which so I have a sketch here which connects to the camera and just draws the image in the canvas. Also want to make sure you have the ML5JS library included, and that will be through the script tag and index HTML. Once you've got all that set up, we're ready to start coding. So I'm going to create a variable called PostNet. Say PostNet equals ML5.PostNet. All the ML5 functions are initialized the same way by referencing the ML5 library dot name. Now, typically there's a bar sequence over here, and we can look at what those are by building it up. Here you can see there are a few different ways to call the PostNet function. I want to do it the simplest way possible. I'm just going to give it the video element and a callback for when the model is loaded, which I don't even really need.
this sounds a bit complex, but it's essentially the same thing you did just now. So when you make the interactive element, for example, you want the AI, you want the portrait to respond whenever you click your mouse click, then you do the same thing, but AI do it for you. So this is essentially when you detect a pose, you do something. And what we did just now is when you detect a mouse click, you do something. So it's the same thing. It's just it's called event listener, but it's not that one.
I'm sorry. Can you take that out? Oh, thank you.
So in this case, I'm going to open up the actual developer console of the browser. I can see a lot of stuff being logged here very quickly. I think any one of these can unfold it. So I can see that I have an array. And the first element of the array is multiple poses that belong to the next one. In this case, it's just one. And I can look at this object. It's got two properties, a pose property and a skeleton property. Now, if we want to come back to the skeleton property, let's start with the pose property. Unfold that, and we can see, oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. So first of all, there's a score. I mentioned that with each one of these X, Y positions of every key point, there is a confidence score. There is also a confidence score for the entire pose itself. And because the camera sees very little of me, then I can actually access any one of those key points by its nose, left eye, right eye, all the way down once again to right hand. So let's actually draw something based on any of those key points. We'll use my nose. I'm going to make the assumption that there's always only going to be a single person. If there were multiple people, I want to do this differently. And I'm going to make a variable called pose. Then I'm going to say if it's found a pose, I checked that by just checking the length of the array. If the length of the array is 0, then pose equals poses index 0. I'm going to take the first pose from the array and store it into the global variable. But actually, if you remember, the object in the array has two properties, pose and poses. So it seems there's a lot of redundant lingo here, but I'm going to say poses index 0 dot pose. This could be a good place to use the confidence score, like only if it's like of a high confidence. Actually use it, but I'm just going to take any pose that's given. Then in the draw function, I can draw something based on that pose. So for example, let me give myself a red nose. Now I run the sketch. So I got an error. So why did I get that error? The reason why I got that error is it hasn't found a pose yet. So there is no nose for it to draw. So I should always check to make sure there is a valid pose first. Then draw that.
Yep, this is what he's doing now.
He's a
Now
clown.
I have
It's a clown.
a red dot always following. If you're following along, pause the video and try to add 2 more points where your hands are. Now there isn't actually a hand 2 points. That'll probably work properly. I'll let you try that. How did that go? Okay, I'm gonna add it for you. Let's see if this works. Ooh, this is working terribly. I'm almost kind of getting it right. There we go. But why is it working so poorly? Well, first of all, I'm barely showing it, only showing it from my waist up. So it's most likely the model was trained on full body imaging. Now I turn the camera that's pointing me over here and I'm further away, and you can see how much more accurate this is. It sees so much more of my body. I'm able to control where the wrists are and get pretty good accurate tracking. As I'm standing further.
So as you see is that
there are also some other
even you don't really need to know how to code to create code now with AI, but knowing like the fundamental knowledge behind it also helps you to know why some particular behavior will happen. For example, like why the blue dot float when he is only in the camera for half his body.
interesting tricks we can try. For example, I can estimate distance from the camera by looking at how far apart are the eyes.
I found this guy's channel.
So So for example, here, I'm storing the right eye and left eye location in separate variables, and then calling the P5 distance function to look at how far apart they are. And then I can just take that distance and assign it to the size of the node. So as I get closer, the nose gets bigger. You almost can't tell because it's sizing relative to my face, but it gives it more of a realistic appearance of an actual clown nose that's attached by changing the size according to the proportions of what it's detecting. You might be asking yourself, well, what if I want to draw all the points that it's got? So for convenience, I was referencing each point by name, right eye, left eye, nose, right wrist, but there's actually a key points array that has all the keys in it. Like you look at, run through everything, that's what I want to do. So I can loop through all the key points and get the X, Y, and Z.
Can you put this?
And then I can draw a circle out each
And-
location. Oops, so that code didn't work.
Can't
because
turn
I
it on
forgot
myself.
that each element,
Thanks.
each key point
You're so
is
good.
really just an X, Y.
We'll be friends.
Up and score is like
Okay.
equal to
What's your name?
and it's
Air.
right?
AIR.
AIR.
Yeah.
That's a cool name. I'm
That is-
Johnson.
That key points index
I'm
I
Jensen.
dot
Okay,
position
hi Johnson.
Yeah, it's
dot
pretty
position
ordinary.
dot Y. Now
I
I'm
haven't
Here we
online.
go. Only thing I'm not
I'm
seeing are my
people on the internet call me Cypher because or Psy because like it's basically present in a lot of my screen names. So basically all my screen names have like sidereal or signs or anything that's like a Psy or something like a Psy. So whatever. No, they don't really like me Psy. Just kidding. Call me Jensen. Okay?
memorize, like always draw a line between the shoulder to the elbow to the wrist. But most of that, what I presume is based on the confidence scores, will dynamically give you back which parts are connected to which parts. And that's in the skeleton property of the object found in the array that was returned. So I could actually add a new global variable called skeleton.
Why?
Skeleton
Why?
equals,
Text comments.
index 0 dot skeleton. I can loop over the skeleton.
What?
Why? Because in the second dimension, it holds the two locations that are connected. So I can say A
Oh
equals
my
skeleton,
god.
index I, index 0, and B is index 1. And then I can just draw a line between the two of them. And look at every skeleton point. I get the two parts, part A, part B. I just draw a line between the X's and Y's of each of those. Make it a kind of thicker line. Give it color white. And let's see what this looks like. And there we go. That's pretty much everything you can do with the ML5 post-net function. So for you, you might try to do something like make googly eyes. That's something I actually did in a previous video where I looked at an earlier version of post-net. And you can also look at some of these other examples that demonstrate other aspects. For example, you can actually find the pose of a JPEG that you were rather than just a webcam. But what I want to do, which I'm going to get to in a follow-up video, is not take the outputs and draw something, but rather take these outputs and feed them as training data into ML5 neural network. What if I say, hey, every time I make this pose, label that a Y, and every time I make this pose, label that an M, a C, an A. You see where I'm going? Could I create a pose classifier? I can use all the X, Y positions, label them, and train a classifier to make guesses as to my pose. This is very similar to what I did with the teachable machine image classifier. The difference is with the image classifier, you can use the camera, the different room, the lighting, the different background, the
talking
Hype
about?
train.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
The AI hype train. Doot.
Yes, we do love the AI hype train.
In Australia, it's actually very cheap the volume.
Okay. So actually watching video is a good way because if you're doing vibe coding, one problem is that you don't know how to exactly code. So watching what others build from the library can help you to know the capability of that code. So yeah, so what is pose estimation? Pose estimation is a technique for detecting human body pose from an image or a webcam. So it finds the key joints of your body like ankles, knees, shoulders, and the coordinate and the confidence score. And it is to not identify who you are, but to find the joints.
I have no idea.
And how this could be applied is that so there are some application for this. So the first thing is what you did just now, which is it's like when you dance YMCA and then there's like a if you're tech or something. So this is what you just did, and then you can also use it for other stuff. For example, for interactive art installation, AR filters. I think I've played that before, like AR filters, like when you open Instagram and then sometimes or Snapchat, there's some filter that recognize your face and then replace your face with dog or
Cat.
or even Kim Jong Un, whatever. so they have like AR filters. So that is what they use.
Why?
There's also this like fitness app that use this one, like your Apple Watch. So it helps you to do that animation, etc. So PostNet have a few advantages. So the first thing is that it is in browser and it's real time, so you can build your own model easily. And the second thing is that no data live on your computer, so even if you're using our computer, it's fine because the post detector is local, so it is sort of private. And the third is that it's easy, so you only need a webcam to make it work. And it detects up to 17 different joint points for each person. And a person looks like this under PostNet. So it maps 17 key landmarks into X and Y coordinate. And they have a confidence score as well. Confidence score essentially means that how sure the AI knows your hand is a hand rather than a belly or leg. So yeah, that is the confidence score. And then yeah, you can also. And for example, here is a function that I want to know what my coordinate of my nose is, and then I can ask it to print it out. So console log is a thing that is in that we saw just now previously, and this is about printing. So sometimes you want to check if a thing works, and the easiest way is to add console log statements, and you can ask the AI to always add that as well to help you to trace the error more easily. This is for printing the nose coordinate.
It's probably gonna be really crude.
And to our retro coordinate. Oh yeah, so this is a funny thing. So I'm not sure if you have read about this in your history class. This is Da Vinci's golden ratio. So Da Vinci believed that there's a thing called golden ratio, and people still believe that now. And what this is about, so they think that there's a special number associating with everything. So the golden ratio is based on human dissection. So Da Vinci is a guy who is very, very immoral, but I mean, too early. So he tried to dissect people and to see the golden ratio for a person. By the way, if you're using golden ratio as an analysis matrix, then the most attractive person in the world is Amber Heard, by the way. She got a 99 something for golden ratio.
Who?
Amber Heard. Amber Heard, yeah. Johnny Depp's ex-wife. But yeah, so Amber Heard, very famous. You don't know him? You don't know her?
Creepy.
Let me show you.
He's creepy.
Amber Heard.
I'll Google.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah, this guy.
it's the
This
golden
girl.
ratio.
How did she perfectly hit like golden ratio standards? She's fat. No, but
The golden ratio is
She was like
the
this.
limit.
So
I don't
people
find her
measure the
pretty.
this is crazy.
eye distance, nose distance, nose to lip distance,
Oh, she's
and
not that good.
decide that she is one of
Yeah,
the
how does
most
this even
Why
work?
does
attractive person by ratio.
Powder.
Finally, it's
She made a mistake by putting makeup on her eyes. It
Trial
doesn't
by
look good.
True.
The makeup here does not even look good.
That was
It looks bad.
girls
It doesn't look bad in reality.
I never seen her. Oh,
Exactly, how would you know?
oh,
Yeah,
she looks
so-
good in this one.
We're gonna try that out. So for post
Yay.
so yay.
Let's go.
So this is an example of post So this is what I've created. So on your use case as well. So there might be a thing here. Oh, close it perfectly.
I swear, I swung with Bane.
There's a box there asking if you want the webcam to be turned on, and you should click yes, because you need the webcam. It is here.
Yikes.
It's gone, but there should be a box here. So I've created something like this, and then you can use this for start detection. And technically, it should detect my face and arm and wrist and stuff. So you can try this as well. It is this website. You can try this on your computer to do the detection first, and you get a early touch on what PostNet does. Wait, I'll go to washroom first.
No, 404 not found.
What?
Yay. Why is it an h.io page?
Yeah, it's H.io.
H.io.
There's also like the
io.ht.
his website, so like not the H.io.
Yay.
And you can even download it. I think it works on
DeepSeek has
Mac.
finished
I think it
programming
works on Mac
Tetris.
too. What?
I've no
You
idea.
added the post thing?
No, I have not played it yet. Wait, no.
DeepSeek made it.
Oh yeah, I need to talk on there because
DeepSeek made it.
no, DeepSeek not make this.
For sure?
DeepSeek made
Where did you find it? There.
toggle the mirror
Is
already.
it that? That link?
Yay.
Is it that link?
Yeah, it works. Yeah. I guess DeepSeek wins. Yeah, it works. What if I like full confidence threshold to 0? Oh.
Oh my god, I'm gonna break my personal record. Joink! But my actual personal record is like 23.2
Alright.
seconds.
DeepSeek Tetris in 3, 2, 1. Please don't blow up my laptop.
Please
Press
try it.
any key to play. This is worrying me.
DeepSeek, please blow
This is
up.
already bad. This is already bad. Where are the bombs?
Yeah, where's the bomb? The bombs were so fun, right?
Yeah. I specifically told it to program like the bomb systems. Wait, where are the bombs? No, I'll probably just program.
Okay. We can test on this one first, and then we'll see.
Bomb bristles. No, the game crashed. It crashed a little bit as it's flying through.
So you can run that
Oh, it's gonna
website
find
first, and you can move around, try to move with your arms, wiggle, and you can see how the skeleton follow your joints in real time, and then and there's some potential bugs. So if your webcam is not loading or stuff. So it's good for you to run that first, because you, in case your webcam is not working, you can.
My webcam is broken.
Broken.
Yes,
Okay.
my webcam is literally broken. So I cannot do this project.
This is amazing.
My
Okay.
webcam is literally broken. It has been
I
broken for
remember
years.
You want
you
us to
could
borrow
have
your
a method to use it via. Oh my god.
That's
My webcam is literally completely broken. And
Yeah, I think he
And
used
I
it
left
to-
my I left my wire webcam thingy at home.
So you want us to
For
rent
peak
like borrow
performance,
your one computer?
let's say
So I
probably-
just only I need to work on a cybersecurity project.
What?
Okay.
Let me try.
Yeah.
I'm
That's
trying
That's
to
the one I
run
do
a
it.
local
That's
host
the one I do
thingy.
it.
I WhatsApp the Easter HK
That's a
on the
lot.
Wi-Fi network.
In A4HK,
It's Easter.
alright, while DeepSeek is cooking on my code, then I'll have some fun.
Cooking. Okay, so
DeepSeek code.
state machine design. So
activity.
yeah, so we can define some state ourselves. So what state is a mode or an emotion on how the art is drawn. So for example, you can define some stuff like angry, happy,
That's an emotion.
calm, and each of them can have their unique visual style. And then
I'm totally not weird.
yeah, for example, if the algorithm thinks that your post looks angry, then it just go to state X or state Y, etc.
Sadly, I can't replay that.
So we can create our own state machine.
That's my fastest version. If you want to make that move from the small,
Yeah, but it gets slow.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's not really good for it's like speed running. See?
Okay, so this is an example. What we will do later is about so you can set a state for the current situation first, and then for example, you can set the default state is calm or something. And if it's calm, then it draws some soft blue background with some stroke. And if it's angry, you make it red. So you can design your own postnet application. So first you can pick emotion like joy, sadness, excitement, whatever. And you can design a corresponding color, shape, emotion that visualize that feeling. And then you can share ideas with your friends as well. And you might need to do some calibration when you're doing the postnet application because postnet is trained on Cocoa. And
I'm just
one thing about every AI model is that this AI model is trained on the training data. So the training data is often biased, so it might not have the same height, same appearance as you do. So you might need to tune the AI model by yourself to make it fit for you. And for example, when you're very tall, like you are Yao Ming or something, then your arm raise might exceed the threshold of being detected by the AI model. And if you're really short, then it's hard. So you have to do calibration to ensure that the art is appropriately usable for everyone, so inclusive. And yeah, so there's a design loop. So in machine learning, there's a thing called hyperparameter fine-tuning, a really complex buzzword. What it means is that, so when you're training a model, sometimes you want to tune the model to make it give the output that is generally correct. So you want to increase the accuracy, and you want to tune the model, and you do hyperparameter fine-tuning. Anyway. Oh yeah, so you can design your own postnet application now, and then you can work in pairs to make sure that
What should we do?
postnet what?
The AI thing.
So the postnet application should work for both you and your friend, because you want to make it inclusive. So you want the AI to be able to detect your post and also your friend's post. So you can work in pairs, and one of you act as calibrator, and the other as observer, and you can design a postnet application, and you choose a trigger first. So the trigger might be, for example, when you raise a hand above your head, and the AI detects it, then you change the background color or something. So you select a condition for the AI to change the color. And then you make sure that you and your friend,
I don't
both
mind
of
if you
you,
swear.
are able to
I don't mind if you swear, but
get it done, basically, get the code to work. And if it's too hard, then you have to ask the AI, or you can do it yourself, to tune the threshold of the code. So, for example, yeah, you have to tune the Y or speed value, and you can swap row to or repeat to make the code inclusive and work for everyone. Essentially. Here. Oh yeah. Here. So some of you have met the problem of exceeding the limit. So you have to change your AI model if you exceed your limit. So in Cursor, here's the AI chatbot, right? And you click here. And this here. And then there's a bunch of different models you can choose from.
It's actually way more time than that.
Oh yeah, yours is not agent, but it's same. Here, do you see this? This button, and then you can choose different models. If you exceed your limit, you can choose another AI model.
Oh no, did I like just toggle every single AI model just now?
That didn't work for me.
You can add more models. So there's add model button, but some of them are paid required, and some of them are free.
Where?
I got it.
You're
There's
gonna
an agent for my ask.
跟住你刪咗 auto，係因為你隔離有個yours should be auto originally, and then you close auto, and then you can see a bunch of models. Yeah, yours should be like this. As you wish.
Three models.
我有個 comparison.
Oh.
My brain is just
Which one should I
bigger.
use?
Over mini? Fine.
There's a here. So
It's all the
Oh, shut up.
I add this in appendix, but since you asked, so let's go about this first. So how to choose a good AI model for our task? So there's a thing in AI called not the good color, but whatever. So there's a thing in AI called benchmark. So people run certain tests on certain data set to see if the AI model perform well. For example, they test on image data, they test on code, they test on whatever. So they want to see if the AI model perform well. And there's a score associated with each task. For example, you got like a arena with a bunch of different models on the same task. Like this one is searching on web, and then different AI model perform differently with different score. This is old, so this is not a very new one.
I can't.
But like this is what I think. I think that for general public daily use, you can use these two essentially. And then I think DeepSeek is not in Cursor, but Grok 3 is in Cursor. And then if you want, you can use Gemini as well. Gemini is also in Cursor. And you can also use ChatGPT. Yeah, so for me, myself, in general use case, I use ChatGPT. But for Cursor use case, because mainly for Cursor, you're using
Hey, it works now.
you're using it for programming, right? So you want to use Claude usually. At least for me, I like Claude because Claude is I think it's the best coding
Yes,
model
that is correct.
between all. And then you have Gemini, you have
Not
Llama, DeepSeek as well. But those serve different purpose. And there are some particular reason for using each of them. So for Claude, it's mainly for coding because it's good at coding. And if you want to write, you have to write IB or IBTOK or something like that.
Okay.
In the future, then Claude will be the best one because Claude gives less hallucination. So it gives you references, size for each of the output it produces. So for academic researchers, Claude is the best one. And then you can also use Gemini for video summarization because it's the best. It has the longest context window. And then if you're using it for locally, local deployment means that if you want to build a chatbot and you want to tune the model yourself, then you use Llama or DeepSeek because it's open source. Yes. But mainly for our use case, Claude is the best one.
It says I need to upgrade to a paid plan to use Claude.
Yeah, there's a bunch of Claude. I think Claude 3.5 is the free one.
No, it just crashed.
Nah, it's not.
No, it just crashed.
No, it's not really. 3.5.
Wait, real? I'm not sure though.
I think 3.5 is the free one.
Oh, it
That
says
means-
free users can only use GPT 4.1 or Auto.
Yeah, then you can use 4.1 I guess. I don't know because I'm the paid version.
Oh,
Bruh.
lucky.
Buy for,
Well,
pay for me.
need it for work.
Okay, that's not.
Okay, GPT 4.1 works. It's infinite, I think.
No, it's
Fine.
not.
It's not infinite.
I don't think it's infinite, but yeah.
Why?
Let me see. Yep. And then, yep, so you can work on you can ask the AI to help you to create a post-net application first. So, for example, you can ask the AI to,
Oh, it works. Bruce. Let's see if I can die.
you can ask the AI to do this. Oh. So potentially in P5JS, your task is to help you to create a post-net application that
If you want to charge,
No, I'm fine. Nothing to
when
I'm gonna charge my phone back.
my hand is raised up, then the background
charge my phone.
change
Fast
into
charging.
random
Oh,
color.
it's Dr. Mario.
Then
Yeah, it's Dr. Mario.
and it thunderstorm appears in the background.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
As
There's
if
a
I'm
thunderstorm.
I cast a thunderstorm.
There was tons of thunder this morning.
Yep, and you can do this.
Wait, why is it circle?
So for example, if I
Wait,
It should be Puyo Puyo, but it's acting more like Dr. Mario.
why does it look so close?
Yeah, because it's AI.
Oh, no.
But it plays more like Dr. Mario.
Yeah,
and then you essentially do
The
what
gravity.
is done here.
I'm gonna keep playing my snake game. The snake game plays the best one.
And then if you want some inspiration actually for AI, because AI is really good for idea generation. So you can ask AI to give you a list of suggestions of post-net applications that you can make. But here, like what I'm making here. Oh, it's still working. Here's an example where you can see that it's always this field technique. So you always do row context and output guidance. So row is professional in P5JS, ML5JS, and the context is to help me to create a post-net application that when my hand is raised, then a thunderstorm appears in the background, as if I'm 4.
Thunderspell.
Yeah, so kind of cool, right?
That's not necessary.
And then we talk about output guidance, which is we always ask it to output in MVP form first, because afterwards we can do function-based progression to add new features. And also ask it to give me well-documented code, because we will be mainly using vibe coding, and as simple as it should, with commenting and reusability. And then what I got here, let me see if I got in. Oh, so it's still generating. So in your use case as well, you should always use this build techniques. I think that this build techniques is even more important than generative art itself, because this is transferable. It's not only limited to generative art, but it's useful for every domain if you're using AI.
Thunderspell.
Thunderspell.
I was looking at that. Okay.
Alright, now Ada. AI.
Thunderspell.
Now,
I was
now
looking
I
at
like
that,
GPT.
damn it.
Go away.
It is what it is.
Okay.
Yeah, ChatGPT is so good at cooking the code.
So here, when you finish your application, there will be sometimes a,
You know ChatGPT was
do
actually
you want the
made
website to
for-
access your camera? And you always click allow.
Because running the AI models use a lot of water for cooling, and they use toilet water. That's the cheapest.
Oh, I have an awakened force power.
More like
Let's see, where? Oh, so you can see here there's a power level.
oh, is that
Right,
lightning?
raise the hand higher.
No, there was like a little lightning bolt that flew across this now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, to the left, and like in the background.
Oh, okay. It's not peak anymore. It's not peak anymore.
Let them have fun with themselves. I all both
Raise
hands.
both hands, okay.
Wait, that's
Above your shoulder.
You wanna
Oh,
see
boom!
the
Thunder
Nice.
style.
Oh,
I did
So that's what you do. And that's why you have to do tuning, because otherwise it didn't work, because it's too much.
I need
So
my
you have to
AI.
do tuning afterwards.
I
You can ask the AI to help you to tune it. For example, it's too hard to trigger a thunderstorm, then you ask the AI to make it easier to trigger.
wait, what's the criteria for this project?
What do you mean by this project?
Please stop.
What's the criteria?
What do you mean GitHub Connect?
Criteria?
look at this.
Yeah, like what do we need to make?
Oh yeah, so you need to make a postnet application,
Okay.
any postnet application. So that is one of the example, like when you raise your hand under someone here, but you can make anything. 唔使啊，你可以用 AI 做。
No. Just forget it. Just write it. Turn off your brain. Turn off your brain.
Hey, cat, the thunder stuff.
So this is an example.
Just turn off.
So you can ask AI to help you. So this is the prompt I'm throwing to the AI, and it produces
He
me
sucks at writing
that
code.
one. So we can try, and we'll continue after 15 minutes. So we'll continue again at 3, 4, 5.
Ding, 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 4, 5. I will probably not.
And if you encounter any question, problem, you can ask. Did it help? Did it help?
Huh? No, I'm just
Alright, let's
trying
actually
it.
write some code.
What?
I'm just
This
trying
is
it.
never gonna work.
Oh, okay, nice.
And you forget. Throw it in the dump.
It's not bad.
If it didn't work, you can ask the AI to make it easier to trigger.
Alright, time to ask AI to write some code because I feel lazy
Can you
today.
try raising
I
your hand?
wanted to try.
I want to see if it works.
But yeah, we'll continue at 3, 4, 5.
Okay, try.
A bit late, make
You right click in
Uh,
new thing you can.
Wait, what is it?
program
Okay.
using P5JS and what's it called again?
Okay, here we go.
What's it called? P5JS and oh my goodness, two keys in a
Run
row.
ML5JS.
Turn off my brain yet again.
And
Whenever your hand is raised above your
what's
head,
it called again?
the front
Okay, it's
hand
time
will
to
be
turn off my
backward,
brain.
as if like you were forward.
Let's go.
Just like make it like an action thing. I just don't know.
What's that camera tool called again? I forgot.
Camera.
Yeah, like the camera. It's like something to the left.
I think you can just ask AI to do it.
Yeah.
Oh, PoseNet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you mean post that.
That allows me to. What should I do? Allows me to. Allows me to summon monkeys. Monkeys.
Peak.
He did not give me a prompt, so I'm gonna use a monkey.
You can ask AI to generate ideas as well.
When
Oh, sorry.
Dude, it's
you
actually peak.
use the peace sign, annotate your code.
That's so peak.
Common,
Holy.
please, because
Are you trying?
I thought that AI was
okay.
automatically
you're
asking.
stupid.
You have
No.
to submit this one, by the way. So
I know.
I said annotate with your mic.
you have to submit this one, so you have to make this one.
All right. Well, magic happens.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, it's actually sir. Wait.
He-
Very well. It's so peak. Trust.
What's an idea?
Make a Netflix clone that actually connects to the Netflix servers and actually gets all the movies and shows from there. And I can actually watch them without connecting to an account.
Oh, my
So
animation
silly.
is wrong again.
Yeah, sorry.
logs it, if it's too
你個 laptop
specific,
點啊？
Oh, okay.
冇 webcam。你想問我借部俾你？好的，等陣。
What did I need to do again to make it easier? Does it make
You can ask the AI to lower the threshold.
threshold?
Threshold.
Monkeys.
Threshold,
alright.
yeah.
We have code which summons the monkeys.
Or you can just tell the AI about the problem. So your problem currently is it didn't detect your emotion, right?
Oh.
So you can just tell the AI about that, and it will fix it itself. I'll bring your computer. Nice.
Monkey summoner.
Monkey.
Okay.
Alright, index HTML. And I see like it eats everything into here. And then Sigma monkey project. But nah, okay, I'll just need the monkey summoner.
Holy.
I summon monkeys. Is there no code? The code is heavily commented for clarity.
I love this thing. How did you guess?
I don't even guess. I don't even say anything. I'm probably too. Anyways,
Probably yes, it's good too.
let's summon some monkeys, shall we?
No.
Why is it loading?
Yeah, because no one wants to summon monkeys.
Why is the code not working?
No, you need to let it show for a few like.
This is unfair. ChatGPT sucks.
Duh.
Did I read my secret through it?
That seems like self-explanatory. You know what I mean? Holy please. That's crazy.
It was made to summon.
Fucking ass.
It's sucking your ass.
It's so bad.
What are you talking?
I don't know. Yep.
The P5 monkey summoner is not working. The AI is so bad on the.
Does it even do the camera thing?
No, it's because we're forced to use ChatGPT.
Hold on, let me try it.
Yeah. Wait,
Where's the file?
can we
man?
use VS Code? I have an AI extension and I still have some leftover credits.
Where's the file?
Yeah, why not?
I have some leftover credits from another
Downloads.
course.
Bro.
In the other course,
You
in
gotta
HKHE, we actually get to like they give
Okay,
us
let's try this.
15 USD worth of credits.
Did it work?
For the pro mod.
No, let me try it.
We can't use auto anymore.
You need to let it show for like a few minutes.
Above the shoulder.
Oh, we need a monkey.png image. Oh, oopsies. Red Velvet Heaven Monkey.
What are you?
This is the easiest way. I like this. No, it says the save link has no stupid. Yeah, monkey.png. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, so what was a web P? I'll leave it there.
My face kinda takes 5 hours.
Monkey.webp.
My face went 5 hours. Okay, so we actually have to wait 5 hours for this. That's crazy. That's actually so crazy. Oh my god. That's so crazy. Oh my god.
Why does it load over again?
Why is it loading again?
The code, the
Wrong is loading.
HTML file loads
Who's wrong?
forever, you moron.
Relax.
It's still not. Oh my god. What model is this guy using, bro?
Code.
Chill, chill.
Oh.
This is really bad.
This is really bad sense. Rules. Wrong.
forever.
Sir, can I use the toilet?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yes, you do.
Just goes right here.
White rain.
White rain.
Bro, it's monkey.
Yellow rain.
This is really bad.
I hope it's red rain.
Look at what
You have Asian, no wonder.
You know rule code? I have some leftover.
Yay!
Let's see what.
I have some leftover projects from Open Router. You know Open Router?
It's
I only use Gemini 2.5.
I want to use auto, but I
All
cannot.
the other models
Hi,
are
hi,
good.
hi.
Wait, Open Router only has like a few free models, right?
Yes.
Limited.
Why
I
are
have
you using
$10
Open Router?
worth of
It's
credits
peak
from
trust.
another course.
Why you need Open Router?
I have some
No,
leftover
it's just
credits from
discussing
another
the
course.
thing.
Ah,
Bro,
okay.
it's so comfortable.
I can't use Claude for its Sonnet. Why? It's paid. Why is it paid?
I don't know.
Because it is.
I will pay for it if it accepts
Recon.
Monero. Cruz, can you donate to my Monero wallet? I have over $2,500 worth of Monero in my wallet.
How did you get them?
Mining.
Okay. How long did you do that?
Like a few months.
Alright, this is really bad. I think
A
AI
few
uses
months.
it.
Damn. What?
Whatever. What's the Chinese name?
Yes.
Wong Hot.
No. What on earth?
I don't know.
Anyways,
Ying Fei Yin.
no.
Wong.
Cursor is paid. This is really bad.
Of course, Cursor is paid. What do you mean?
I'm gonna summon Visual
Maybe you
Studio.
should subscribe.
Yeah, maybe we should subscribe. to
I'm
Cursor.
not. No, I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna jump over to Visual
Nobody's paying for Cursor, lads.
Still like keep using VS Code.
I can pay.
Blank screen.
Cursor quite useful. Although it's paid.
I'm going to use like WebView or something to import ChatGPT into VS Code. I'm going to make my own VS Code extension.
If you know AI well enough, you can find your own API key to local model and then use.
Yeah, I do that all the time.
I have alternate AI.
Dude, Together AI is peak though.
I don't have any money for the API.
你個係撈唔到，因為直頭冇啊，
你知道
係咯冇咯。
Let's go, Claude.
Oh, Cloud works?
Claude works in Visual Studio Code. Let's go, 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 go.
Wait.
Do you
Switch
use
over.
GitHub Copilot?
No.
Nah.
Generate some
What do
code
you use? What do you use?
using
What do you use?
Copilot, Claude.
Duh, I said you use Copilot. and
Yeah,
you
yeah,
don't.
Copilot's free. Copilot's free. Of course, the tiers matter, but it's basically free.
Create some code using. That's called M5JS.
Yes, M5.js.
M5.js.
你喺下面加行數佢講話叫佢
On that.
So I can make it rain monkeys.
Rain
One,
monkeys and bananas.
five,
We forgot the banana.
Rain. Wait, I'm
Okay, this is not fire. This is not fire. The Postnet model isn't loaded.
I do the piece.
This vibe coding stuff is so
Do it.
Where is it
it.
loading?
All the good
The
stuff.
model.
Yeah, it's going to
is
work.
actually
Monkeys and
not.
bananas.
All the good
I
stuff.
need an image
costs
though.
money. Just download an image from the internet and reference it.
Oh, don't worry. I think in Run My Way with Donkey Kong website I already have a banana.
I did some like web dev when I was 7 years old.
Here you go. I have a lot of Donkey Kong stuff here. You can choose.
Don't any of
It's
you
from my
need
website. It's from my other website.
I can't connect the Wi-Fi
Okay.
when I'm in art.
Logan.
Why can't I?
No, it's not.
Where can I put it?
Boom! I got some images.
你用到 Wi-Fi 我 art
嗰啲咪你咁樣撈。
佢要 use Wi-Fi 咋？
哦，咁你哦，其實如果你呢種情況咧，最簡單就係 P5
This is made with deep sea.
I believe in you.
就抌俾個 AI 同佢講話，你而家見到嘅
And you can't even beat your own record.
That's not my actual record. My actual record is like 23.8 on Linux, but I can't access Linux because the
就
Wi-Fi.
你而家就淨係見到呢堆嘢，跟住冇嗰個，冇嗰個應該要見到嘅 camera。
I'm not even doing screen recording now. I'm just doing tracking, doing clips. Magic.
要 accept 要揾佢，我都係唔得，咁你就其實有個簡單啲嘅方法，開出去。
Dead ass.
呢啲要打完
Oh,
喺個 folder 入面，咁我係點樣啊？開完呢度之後就
Oh, this is painfully hard.
係咯，跟住同埋撈咯。係啦。
呢度
就係咁咯。
解釋。
I have an image.
So some of you have faced some error. So one easiest way to debug is
Inspect element.
For example, here
Why
And then-
is this?
I just screenshot first. So I screenshot the whole thing. So for Mac, it is Command Shift 4. You hold this Command plus Shift plus 4,
I'm sorry.
and then you hold these three buttons to do a screenshot.
I'm sorry.
Command Shift 4. And if you're Windows, there's a button called print screen. You can find it. It's probably in the top right-hand corner.
Super key shift S also works.
Okay, yeah. And then you print that screen. So for example here, I print this screen, copy the screen, and it's here.
What if I'm not?
And I go to cursor, and I throw this image to the AI. And you can tell the AI about the problem you face. For example, you're only seeing the screen, you can't see the camera, and you ask the AI to help you to fix it. So this is the easiest way to do debugging. Yep. So you can screenshot, throw to the AI, and tell the AI that it's not working now, why? And then AI will fix it. Essentially.
It's too expensive.
Bro.
仲撈緊，
仲撈緊好的。
What about our cruise?
No.
I'll just chillax for now.
It's the 黃乜氣黃濕氣，一排唔要嘅，我隻黃中醫。
The website's not
What
loading.
website is that?
The monkey website.
Why isn't it loading? Should be loading. It's already loading.
Yeah, but because it's the AI is bad.
Can you let me use your computer for 1 minute? 30 seconds.
Right, the funny
You don't look. Please don't look, and I'll use your computer for 30 seconds.
No.
Why? Ooh, you're so unkind, dude.
What is he talking about?
He always does that.
What do you mean? I just do that.
Why
when
can't
you're-
make it pale
I just do
monkey?
that when you're eating noodles.
What is bro talking about?
Stuff you shouldn't know, I guess.
Yeah.
Anyway, my monkey range
You're
not working.
here
I'm so
10
sad.
next year, right?
Yeah. Raise your hand to someone who thunderstorm, but it
What are
doesn't
your
work.
thoughts about being 10 next year?
Like your fault.
You dear God.
I want to eat something.
Didn't you eat lunch? It didn't arrive?
It did it wrong. Anyway.
Oh, it's the fried rice, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. It's important. Yeah.
You
Not yet. No, I asked.
Oh my god, dead ass.
Nobody said anything.
Dead
I'll
ass.
pay you. I'll help you pay that.
Actual.
Give me the money. I'll help you pay
Now
that.
you're gonna run.
Bro.
You're gonna eat it all.
No. ML5.postnet is not a function. That means there's something happening.
Click on it. I think load image you need to specify path.
Yeah, this should be fine.
Yeah, ML5.bodypost.
Yes.
There's
a magical
nothing
Wait
wrong
a
file.
with it.
minute. Try to run it from local server.
It's this magical.
Run it in local server, not the file.
All right, I'll open it in this end.
你有插頭喎。
Hi, guys.
Can you make this a git
Fuck.
Git
Hiya.
我係攞個拖板。
Done.
Just make it a git
Unhandle
repository.
Chrome protection.
So
Do you want me to
I can
host
also
this
use-
moron? I'm gonna go live though.
Go live. Just upload the GitHub or something.
It does not load!
Your problem.
P5 monkey brain does not want to load.
4550. Okay, now.
What do you mean this is not
Oh,
a
wait,
function?
no,
This
I'm
is
on
literally
Windows.
a function.
This is
What is your fault for
stupid.
that?
The AI is so stupid.
Oh yeah, that's cut.
嗰邊有，但係你個位嗰啲
It's like the only ethical hacking tool that works on Windows.
What?
I'm just
Burp Suite?
all the Macs.
You mean burp?
Burp Suite?
Oh, I use burp suite all the time.
We just limited to this
Burp
one here.
Nah, it's not like it's the only one. There's other forensic stuff you can use on Windows.
Like Nmap.
Yeah. Like
Most
you,
of the
there is
offensive
not like
They're all
only
being
one.
used.
That's like
Is anyone done with it? Is anyone good for charging? Anyone who's plugged in here?
What do you mean this is not a function?
Relying on it.
This literally is a
AI is
function.
so stupid.
Any one of these done?
It doesn't work.
All needing yours? Okay.
Chris, what's the battery percentage?
I think they're all. I think they're all needed.
What do you mean this is not a function? This literally is a function.
They
It says
all need charge.
the docs says so. I trust the docs.
Couldn't get anyone to,
I know you hosted
Okay,
a
okay.
website
If
that
the
was
docs
4,500
says so, then it is.
Thank you。
What's your address? Connect to the website. What's your address?
但係佢，但係你有冇充緊嘅？
What's your
我冇啊。
有冇充緊嘅人係
iPhone.
夠電你嘅？
Wait, no, that's an iPhone. Oops. Sorry.
Alright, the AI is cooking real hard.
Is this yours? Kids Lab MacBook Air. Wait, no, it's a MacBook Pro.
Oh wait.
Thank you。Nice。你用嗰個
Okay, this should work. Okay, it loaded the funny. Let's see. Let's see.
Let me summon monkey.
It's time to show. Undefined is not.
點解我揾 Air 啊你？
你嗰個嚟㗎？
係啊，
我想嘗試 connect 佢個網站，我
No
而家整緊嗰個。
Actually, I could. Oh, we have something.
Paste。
Aiden's MacBook Pro. Are you Aiden? No. Sorry.
Wait now. Dude, that is not.
We're cooking hard with
Everything's
Visual
Google or
Studio
Intel.
Code.
So this is what you do if it's not working. So if it's not working, you do a screenshot first. So for Mac, you hold Command Shift and 4 to crop the screen, and then you drag the image to the cursor AI panel, and then tell the current problem what you
I
expect and what
probably
you see.
run voice Nintendo
I'm
Switch.
gonna keep all.
And for Windows, it's print screen, and the other stuff does the same. And you hold Control V.
Let me see.
Oh, there we go.
I can't put in the
Cameras working.
Where was that?
Dude.
Stop.
What website is that?
It's Netcut.
Yep. So Postnet all works. Should work.
No. The AI is stupid.
I'm gonna reload again.
This one, the MacBook Pro is a MacBook Pro.
The last callback to be used. Is it working though?
Where are the apples? I can't put into Linux because I can't connect to the Wi-Fi in Linux. Why does everyone
哇！你咁 run 嚟
care?
喎，好似咩？你啲掣要你撳。
Why is everywhere?
真係靚。
Is this yours?
No.
Oh, what's happening?
Let me
Undefined is
find
not
them.
an object. That's crazy.
I thought you were Lemon Boy.
What? I said to show.
You were Lemon Boy, right? Are you in the Wi-Fi? It should.
I'm super sure.
But this is like a pretty janky tool. I don't use it for actual stuff.
That's crazy.
Are you sure that's the name?
Yeah, run voice Nintendo Switch.
What? Yeah, just don't mind. I
I'm
don't know
rhythm voice
what's
and
happening
Nintendo
either.
Switch.
Okay, let's do that on my phone.
Wait, what?
Notice that my Bluetooth is off is off.
I don't know if this works anymore. I give up. I already turned my brain off.
Why is the AI not AI-ing?
Because sometimes it just doesn't do that. Sometimes it just doesn't work.
I'm too used to Arsenal now.
Do not.
I'm just using IWCTF.
Seize.
I always forget IWCTF.
All who uses arc shall seize.
Wow.
Hey, I'm back on track.
I'm back.
All who uses arc Linux shall seize. And by seize I mean cease to exist.
Alright, back on track. 8.
I tried Linux and Arch and it can't connect to the Wi-Fi here. I even tried
Sees.
FreeBSD.
Hey, I'm still fine. Let's go.
And also my Steam Deck could not connect to the Wi-Fi here.
Yeah. How do you know?
I don't know. Because I brought my Steam Deck.
So,
No, I didn't bring it to you.
you lie.
I can show you photos.
He lies.
The stupid website.
Okay, it's still
isn't
loading the
stupid
funny. Let me
website.
just show out a bit more.
I can believe everything. Right? Leave code for P5JS. I'm so cooked.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
What is it called? P5JS and ML5.js.
It's ML5.js.
Yeah,
Okay, yes, using code.
it is called ML5.js.
Okay. Nice. Thanks.
Nice, nitrogen ice.
It's a custom Debian or virtual ASIC creation.
Wait, write me a code for
So I use like
something's working.
Aircraft NG and Nmap and then I just
Alright.
attempt to install those into Debian.
The AI is AIing.
So instead of
Yes,
using
I do
something
agree with
copy
you.
Linux, I just like
Dun, 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 dun.
350.
Womp.
It's a freeway turn.
I indeed agree with you in the sentiment
I'm
that
trying to bridge a slow.
it is doing something.
How bad I am at this.
It depends on the map.
Nah, hold on.
I'm gonna see it. Oopsies. But no, it survived. Yeah, steering assist.
Okay. Okay. So let's continue.
It's not, oh my god.
So we got a workshop here, which is so Google has a thing for something that looks like ProSnap. So essentially what it does, this is made by Google, and essentially what it does is that you can use your hand to play some sound, and when you move, it gives different sound. For example,
How do
you
you change
string,
the device name?
That's P.
and all different motion give different sound.
How do you change your device name on Mac?
It's really easy.
Settings. Just one word.
So you can search on web about
Can it do
body
it
sync
for
by
me?
Google.
Why does this happen?
360, landed. Oh, landed.
And this is it. Oh shit. Nice. So there's modern artwork. So these are some examples of a modern artwork that uses something like that. So this is from a guy called Golang Lavin, and he
What?
made a thing called Scribble. And and some ghost pole propagator.
Is
So
this the guy that invented Go, the programming language?
I don't think so. Anyway, his name is Golang, right? Anyway, so yeah, so early work of so these two artwork are the artwork that use visual tracking and let human to draw with their body. So I'll show you an example of how it's done. So it is an interactive art.
Here's the translation for that. HKICT.
I found it got wrong. So he can basically draw by raising his hand, and his hand is stroke here. And this is the early stage of how you can draw with your body. Your body is a brush, and your and by moving your body, it draws.
Ooh, cool.
And then
AI is feeling.
so there's also some artists that use PostNet and other stuff to generate such kind of visuals that interact with the audience. And so what we want to mention here is that modern art is often a blend of different stuff. So it's this traditional artwork, sometimes you have a beautiful artwork, but not much of a blend, not much different stuff with the other artwork. But modern artwork, there are some other elements. So one element is interactive art. So what interactive art means is that you need the audience to join you on building an artwork. So the audience participation is a part of the artwork. The viewers not passive, so they are not just standing there watching your artwork, but they are also actively building the artwork itself. So in generative art, we talked about that previously. And there's also some new media art, which is you use video or sensor as a medium to build some art. So, and there's also a thing called participatory art. What it means is that it is a co-creation between the artist and the audience. So the artwork might be not only the artist drawing it, but you are also joining the artwork.
What did you just say?
Your finger?
So I'll show you an example, and this is a very famous art example. I don't know if you have read about this, but this is a very crazy thing. So this is
Crazy.
This is super crazy. So I'll tell you why it's crazy. So
The color works.
so this woman here, she's an artist, and this artist designed a participatory art when she looks like this. So she's like, I think maybe 20 something, 30 something, and she decided that the rule is that she's the object, and during this period, she will take full responsibility, and she put a bunch of different stuff, including gum, including bullet, including knife, all those stuff on the table, and she just sit there on the chair and let the audience do whatever stuff on her. And her reminder is that, yeah, if you leave it up to the audience, they can kill you.
I will kill you.
And there's a reason for that. So I don't know if there's a video about this.
It's so peak labs. It's so peak.
Do you know you can also
This one.
The spotlight search. You know there's actually spotlight search on the main. It's actually a Microsoft.
No, it is this one, but let me find a short-term version. Oh, why?
Okay, I can draw something.
Okay, so this guy let others to do whatever stuff on her, and the audience, the crazy audience. So within the 24 hours, people can do whatever they want on her, and she will take the full responsibility. And in the end, some crazy people use knife to draw some words on her and stuff, and
That's
even
crazy.
put a gun into her head. Yeah, so it's crazy. So there's 70 objects she placed on the table, and includes some stuff. And she's the art piece herself.
Oh,
So
what the fuck?
she and the audience co-form this artwork. This is a kind of what's the perform arts. So yeah, so people will do some crazy stuff on her, like pouring water, hot water on her, using even pointing a gun on her with bullet, and then using a knife to draw something on her. So, but yeah, so this is an example of modern art. And this is her feedback. So she feels really violated. They cut her clothes, and then stuck stuff to her stomach, and then even aimed gun at her head and took it away eventually. So, and this experiment is only 6 hours, and everyone, she's in a public
Only 6
place,
hours.
so it is in a museum, and everyone surrounding can see what's happening. But I mean, people just do it. It's crazy. And yeah, and then eventually, after the 6 hours, she moved, and everyone just ran away because they think it's not appropriate to do that to a living person, but they did it anyways. So this is a kind of blend of art. So it is not a traditional definition of art, but this is, in modern definition, it is a kind of perform arts. And yeah, so it's not a traditional art. It uses human body and also the audience participation. So the audience is also a part that co-found the art itself. And then, yeah. And it's more about the meaning behind, because her feedback is the key message of this art, essentially. And I think you have also read about the banana. Banana in the museum.
Oh yeah.
Banana.
This banana. Yeah, this kind of
Someone
art
eats banana.
is also some kind of blend of art. So yeah, this is an expensive banana. So 120,000.
There's a banana on the wall.
Yeah. It's art based.
Banana on the ball.
So yeah, so we're going to do a workshop called Body as Brush. And so yeah, so you can, we have like 3 stages, so you can work.
It's very fast. Stages. First is the cruise stage.
What?
So the first stage is about, you can use joint to build an artwork. So for example, whenever your joint, you can use PostStat for this. So whenever the joint meet a condition or enter a certain criteria, the program will stamp a shape or an image to the canvas. So for example, when your right hand goes above your head, then you stamp a star and stuff. So you can use some condition to draw an artwork. So this is what this previous artwork does. This one, Scribble, does. So we're mimicking what he or she make. So our body is the brush, and so this is an example of the code that you will be making. So for example, here it is when your wrist reaches your nose, then it draw a star image. And you can make your own interaction for that. And you can also make some stuff based on speed. So for example, F1, I don't know if you have watched this movie. Very nice. If you haven't, you should watch this. Very nice movie. Anyway, so yeah, so you can also make, you can also use PostNet to detect the velocity of your motion. So for example, if you raise your hand really fast, you want a bigger thunderstorm. Maybe when you're raising your hand very slowly, you want a smaller thunderstorm. So speed is another thing that you can use for drawing stuff. And here is an example of using speed of drawing something. But yeah, we can skip this because time is a bit late. And then you can also use the whole body posture to draw something. So essentially is that you can define different states like happy, sad, idle, active, and then you ask the AI to help you to, for example, when your arm is raised and you're jumping, then it detects it is in an excited state. And under this state, you can have, I don't know, maybe the background turn green, and then
the AI is not AI, this is all.
And then your face turn red, you have a red filter on your face, whatsoever. So yeah, so this is a multi-conditional problem. So you mix different conditions together. later. Yeah. So the late. So yeah, but we can skip this one first because now it's 4, which is a bit late. So we can skip this.
Late?
Yeah, because we end at 5. So
Oh no, I'm so cooked. AI can get
we can skip this first, and we can go back here. We have time.
We're so
So we have one last assignment, which is nice for you.
Monkeys! It's raining monkeys!
Anyway, and then
It's
Still
raining
doesn't
monkeys!
work.
Oh, I thought you canvas all the way over
here.
here.
Oh my god.
But I'm not controlling the
Okay,
monkey
this is
race.
yeah, I'm not doing
Bring
this.
tacos, like my childhood.
okay,
Well, at least
okay,
it
hold
starts
on,
raining
right.
monkeys.
Right.
I remember when they were
Okay, nice.
raining tacos.
So yeah, so you can work step by step. So you can first build an MVP, then use postnet, which you have done already, and then you can use other stuff to make postnet
It
as
barely
well.
works.
So for
It
example,
doesn't work. It just
so for example, when you're making previously, what you make is when you raise your hand, there's a thunderstorm or something pop up.
Yeah, but the monkeys.
And you can make it more
Monkeys
sophisticated.
are just raining.
For example, you can add velocity element, like when you raise your hand faster, then the thunderstorm become bigger. And then this is the second phase you do, which is integration by velocity. And then the first thing you can do is you can trigger more motion. For example, if your hand is raised, but at the same time you're smiling, then it generates a red thunderstorm or something. So this is what you can make in
Oh, see? It
for
goes
now.
back to
So
the
yeah,
previous
I'll show you.
Oh, alright.
OK，要最後。
Dude, I'm fine.
I just think it was better if they started here.
So first I do is I add HTML, add the, so I specify the AI to tune my previous,
Dude, I just wanna have fun.
And that's
previous.
Yeah, I just
If
wanna
you wanna have fun,
For
just
example,
play
my
this
file is
I
called
don't
for
know.
postnet.html,
Good.
and I put an add
Please,
here,
please send
which
that now.
asks the AI to explicitly edit this file rather than the other file.
Make a map.
This to red. This is my previous work on postnet. Your task is to integrate new function based on my previous work. Now I want to integrate a new function that when the speed of rate and is really fast,
The AI is not AI in this is really bad.
Yes, I do agree with you.
I'm gonna feel
raising
worse
hand
if this continues.
corresponds to the
Yeah, I'm
thickness.
gonna fail this course. Yeah,
This is
but-
why I don't like
I'm so
coding.
scared. This is why I generally don't vibe code.
Yeah.
It's too risky.
Yeah, if you know how to code, you can use normal code as well.
I don't think I know how to code.
I know
And
like
I could.
Problem.
I could.
No, I
but
know
I
how
don't
to-
do JavaScript.
I could, but I never did Node.js. Not Node.js. I never did postnetting before. I used Python.
Every
TensorFlow,
time I did
whatever that is.
JavaScript was just vibe coding. I mostly wrote
I want to integrate so the
C#
speed of
and
the.
I'll let you pseudo or more of one of
and also I do a bit of C and C++, but I'm very bad.
Make sure to integrate the function directly to the add or postnet.html rather
Just say
than.
B.
So it's not just a U. I'm
And
just
then
I wanna use
this,
cool. Alright, let me put this up.
and then also put
Oh,
add
it's not finished
console
yet.
log statements
Damn.
so that if bugs happen,
The S stands for that you need to actually do something positive.
and then what you do is you copy. and
Oh no,
paste.
no,
I
it's
need
fine.
to edit
No,
it.
it's fine, it's fine.
not
Let me
finished.
try, let me try it.
Chill,
Let me try it.
chill, chill,
Dude,
chill,
let me
chill.
just try, let me test
Dude,
this,
chill.
let me test.
Dude, chill.
Dude,
chill.
come on.
Now I'm going to make an actual challenging track.
Here. yeah, you can reference this one, but you can create something different. Don't copy me, because it's better for you to
The
design
AI
your
is
own
not
power.
AI. I'm so cool. I'm gonna summon monkeys when I raise my hand.
Sir? Is it okay if I try something a bit different, but it's just kind of like the same, the task?
Yeah, of course. You're encouraged to try something different. Don't copy
okay.
me. Copy
Okay.
me is meaningless because it's just copyright.
Okay.
You just copy what I write, and it's not that useful for you.
Yay, training monkeys.
Because it's a
You didn't read
course for
monkeys?
to spark
yet.
your creativity, right?
I hope I can make it a
There's
training
no
monkey.
point to copy me.
Oh, let's go. It's raining monkeys, but on my I have not triggered anything. So automatically raining monkeys.
You like raining monkeys? Okay, I'll make a raining monkey later.
Yay, man.
Yay!
Mirror the image feed. This is hard.
But yeah, so we can work for this one is a bit harder, so we can work for maybe 25 minutes. So we'll continue at 4:40. And we'll do two things. So one thing is that you can add velocity, and after that you can add in more posts. So for example,
Monkey.
when you together raising your hand and also raising your leg
And
or
also
something,
monkeys.
then it rain monkey. So that is multiple condition essentially. So you're gonna try that two things.
Monkey spawn logic. Okay, my hands do have thoughts, let's go. Hands raised, yes, let's go! Now it only rains monkeys when I summon the monkeys!
Yay.
Yay!
Why is it saying yes? Alright, for no monkeys, I want to summon the Donkey Kongs! Yay! We'll screen the and then make it that I summon more monkeys when I what are you doing? Can you generate? Can you get automatically generate?
No. Oh yes, but
I'll read the code later, I'm lazy.
well, it actually works. It actually generated something.
Hey, lightning.
It actually generated something.
I'm the one who
Briefly
suggested this. Yeet! Ow, that was a troll.
Alright.
That was a troll.
Also,
The elevation is
Yeah, it's like,
too high.
I'm fine.
And did the AI even make the checkpoint?
Oh, stop resetting like every time you make a mistake, stop, dude. I want to try it. I haven't even tried yet. Stop resetting. I cannot do anything. I'm gonna beat that.
and if you have done this,
Like, I
Okay.
can't leave.
Break! You need to break at the corner and drift.
Oh boy, it's not loading.
Do work, bro. Do work.
It is slowly loading.
simultaneously.
You were slow. I should probably do that.
Oh, come
Okay,
on.
okay, it's now my turn.
Oh, come freaking on. I'm sad.
And
now.
into a
Monkey.
Whoa, it actually works!
What? I summoned the monkeys. What? It works. It's raining monkeys. It's raining Donkey Kong.
Let me try.
Wait. I'm gonna make it so that the Donkey Kongs fall faster.
This is AI generated.
I'm gonna read the code for real now. If blah 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 blah. Fill and it's raised monkey. So monkey and the width you then
So for example, here I'm making another condition that when the user is cracking his hand in the rock, then it rings monkey and Donkey Kong.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay!
Your favorite.
I ran out of ideas. This is what I'm doing now.
Yeah, essentially you can make multiple conditions together. So for example, the user can be together shaking his head, raising his legs, shaking his arm and wrist as well together,
Okay.
and they
Okay.
have like multiple conditions together.
What do you mean?
Brain monkeys more intensely. Hey, look them, they're spinning so fast. They're Sonic the Hedgehog.
Here's my record, 37 seconds. Try to beat it. I hope you do.
Monkey ray.
No,
Monkey.
Poses.
Think about it.
No, it's an error.
Oh no, oh yeah, it's working.
Error.
Ooh, crap.
That's my
That's a guy.
I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna go slow.
So,
The dude, stop.
it's AI generating again. Wait,
Yeah.
are you using VS Code or Cursor?
It's using VS Code because Cursor hates me and does not want me to aim my eye.
Yeah, I hate Cursor.
No, it's fine if it ain't
It's
paid.
fine.
If it
but-
ain't paid.
Yeah, it's fine, but it's too expensive.
Yeah, and I'm broke.
Exactly.
If you're really experienced, you can use Cloud Code.
Sir.
That is command line only.
Oh, why not? I could.
Why not? I use
But
command
that's
line.
like
my
paid.
computer
I could
is
try,
out of
not
battery.
gonna lie.
I use CLI
My
stuff.
computer is out of battery.
Do you have an
I
app?
use CLI
Huh?
stuff.
Do you have a
Plug.
app?
Why?
Plug.
It's another
Do
troll.
you want to use mine?
Wait,
Oh, okay.
wait, I'm gonna
Let's
try
see
to
if it
see if I can drive off the
Let me see if it works.
This is your
The
child.
mouth is a
What, is there another one?
They do, liar, liar.
See?
I just clipped into one. You see, I clipped into it. So now I can't
Wait,
get out.
I'm pretty sure
Lynn,
on another.
do you have it already?
No, it doesn't fit mine.
Wait, let me pick one.
What about this one?
Let me try this one. It doesn't work. It still doesn't work.
Wait, I did a 360 spin.
哦，咁你咪即係都係啱啱個方法，都係即係 screenshot 要 screenshot 嚟咁樣。
I use CLI a lot. Wait,
Does it work? Or you can try this
what
one.
was the
Wait,
thing
wait,
that
wait.
only works
trying.
with command
Okay.
line? What's the thing that only
Cloud
works?
Code.
Does it put inside?
Oh, okay.
But I think Cloud Code, they have 3 versions.
It doesn't fit in. No, it doesn't.
This one's quite low.
Does it work? No. You can try this one. I think this one works.
How do you clear this on CMD?
我们自己点那个不是在那儿
Hi, it's the print screen, you know.
Oh, this works. Okay, yes.
On Bash or the
Right.
other side, you just type clear, but it doesn't work here. Glue. How do I clear?
Oh no, there's a save one.
你同佢講依家
What happened? Oh yeah, yeah.
Does it
Just
work?
do normal coding.
This one. Should work.
Use the
Because this one is the.
He's putting it in.
Wait, I'm
Okay.
pretty sure there's like a partial monster for what? Right? There's a
係，咁
partial
你就
monster
同個 AI 講
It's like
個 camera error。
我同佢講咗好多次，佢都做唔到。
Cut screen。
Oh, now it's charging. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
係個 code 係黐無黐嘅，我睇過啊。
Oh, thanks. I'll be
因
like,
為我用晒嗰啲。
This is actually getting slightly painful. You know, when you're gonna get Hail Monkey Storm. Oh wait, how is my hands raised just now? Alright. Alright, I'm actually gonna write the code now. I'm ditching AI.
Yeah.
Show in the
Keep stitching it.
I don't know data. I know a bit. From
It's
like
been-
the code
it's been real fast.
that we did in year 8. Did you do the JavaScript stuff in year 8?
Yeah.
We did the JavaScript stuff last year.
Wait, it is postnet. So you edit directly on postnet.
All I did was console.log and I just
Wait,
即
sir.
係你 postnet
Oh.
呢個
Wait, we learned Python
Wait,
in year
that,
9.
wait, that means that wait, if I raise one of my left hands, It also hails monkeys. I think both. So all the keys we combine these.
Yeah, just combine. Just copy paste them.
Yeah.
And delete them.
What do you mean no person detected?
Alright, so that's combined. So one hand and nothing, two hands and monkey
Oh,
tail.
wow, it works.
But we need more monkeys, because I'm insane.
What's that war monkeys with the philosophy thing? If you like shake your hands, then
Can I go to the washroom, please?
what do you mean monkey time?
这个好 rap
No, it can
More.
yes, and then when
I'm
you
sure that has a bit of
yeah, when you shake it, then it becomes monkey time.
Shake it, so like take my hand.
Wait, the
And
question.
then it will become like
Read
Twitter.
or read.
Oh.
Philosophy.
Big brain. Yeah.
你可能呢個情況重新開咗個新嘅 tab，重新領用。
我用晒啲
哦，咁你係咪用緊 Asia？咁你就 default，
Wait,
你將佢轉做 as，將
wait,
as
wait, I need to get
呢個 model 轉做
so hard.
BBSD, OpenBSD.
Excuse me.
Asia 轉咗
Did you figure it out? Did you figure it out?
Not yet. It said I used up all my credit.
Wait, why are you trying to get
Show what camera there.
I don't know if it works. I'm just trying.
Yeah, also.
I haven't gone there.
Does it do the philosophy thing?
No, it just like that.
Oh my god.
No, it only go it must be both. Higher, higher, higher. You're slanting that. We're doing that Hitler.
Yeah.
That's not allowed. That
It
is
works
not
if I
allowed.
just raise my hands normally. But
Yeah,
if I do this, it doesn't work.
Yeah, because Hitler
See?
sleep is not good.
Now it works.
Yeah,
Now it stops.
yeah, because
Yeah, see, it
well, at least
teaches
you
little
got
kids.
monkey raid.
This app teaches little. This app is so
Now we have
educational.
monkey raid.
It teaches little kids not to do the thing.
Add a font. That significantly
Sigma?
significantly increases monkey spawn
Base
rate.
Base.
You shake your hand.
It's not responsible.
What's up?
But the
What's
difference you're
up,
talking
guys?
about the thing on top of this folder.
I have no idea. Ultra intense monkey storm. Registered trademark.
Oh wow. I actually did it.
Alrighty.
Have you ever did the Node.js thing?
What is Node.js?
It's like, it's, I don't know.
I'm having a lot of fun.
I know you like,
Look at this, how he's putting this out.
to be honest, when this spins, it looks more like a diamond flip more than sponge.
I have no idea what movie is a simply Donkey Kong image.
Make the image transparent background and have a transparent background. So it's like actual monkey. Yeah, I'm gonna switch to
That looks like
VS Code.
so bare bones. It's like just
I have all the extensions on
the other people have like websites where they have a GUI. Yeah, monkey store.
We don't need GUI, it's just monkey store.
It is a monkey store. It's so simple. Oh yeah, remember that everything is being recorded by a camera at the back.
What's the recording doing
Monkey
anyways?
store. Oh, it's a
Basically,
recording.
Yeah.
Oh, so basically it's black frame, so people didn't come. So
Oh.
Which recording? Ah, yeah.
yeah,
Oh.
monkey store.
Also, it's because it's black.
What the heck? Something divorced actually normally. No,
What is
something would detected. Sorry, no response was returned. That was scary.
That was
Lemon Boise free selected. Try again. Working. Divorce.
What?
Yeah, the AI just like crashed on me.
Wait, it's called
I bet hold on, you can't charge
Yes.
for it.
Yeah, but is it infinite?
我
No.
Oh, you're lucky.
咁我咪頭先個名
You're
都
so
係
lucky.
做難食，都係都係見唔到自己。係啊。你先，我應該 question 幾多個我話而家嗰幾粒紅點係咪因為你因為個 camera 整樣嗰你 respond 咗出嚟啊
Monkey store.
I can only do 2,000 code completions. That's not enough. In the free plan.
我用晒啲
You tell our schools to make make the GitHub school thing.
有時一次
Oh,
係
yeah.
都冇賣嘢
Have like the GitHub Copilot. Copilot. It's like
Sorry.
infinite, right?
audio input 嘅
If you
話
have a GitHub school account, I'm pretty sure.
佢冇乜咩就呢樣多。
Can you ask the team?
呢個有賣嘢
應該有
Let us make a GitHub
多
school
數冇
account.
有嘅。
I tried to do that last year and they couldn't let me.
Oh, try that.
It's last year I tried to use GitHub Copilot.
我 AI 就係咁樣嘅。
Anyways, monkey,
我
monkey.
我 Tipsy 整佢唔知點解唔知嘅都係 perfect screen。
Oh, it's working. Anyways, monkey Heil.
Monkey high.
Monkey Heil.
Monkey high.
Monkey Heil.
What is bro talking about?
Monkey Heil. No! Don't screenshot me. How dare you.
That's funny. Raise your hand.
I use monkey spell.
Raise your hand. Just raise your hand.
Monkey spell.
Razor
Just
You do it
raise your
then.
hand.
You know what? Wait. What if it tracks some photo back? Stop.
佢都仲係 ED
I'm sure. Sure.
It's tracking the wrong person.
Yay!
It's tracking the wrong person. Stop. Oh my cow!
I'm so sorry, Cruz.
Ah,
Are you okay, Cruz?
seriously.
Raise your hands.
都要加落。
Someone at the back raise
Oh, thank goodness.
You
These
need to do
my
more
glasses
than
are
that.
個國家，知唔知？
No，緊係水嘅。
my glasses are crazy tall.
No,
Oh no, it's tracking me. That's why.
so you need to do more.
Oh what? Well, that worked.
Do it again.
Oh, I think you need to. Oh no wonder I think one of the dots
This
are
one
under
and
your
this
hat.
one.
呢個唔係夠
Monkey Heil.
It's Wong Chun.
This is like a really stupid idea.
What's
It
your
works
name?
so well. So Ultra Monkey Store, but you're shaking hard enough.
呢嚿根本就係德國嚟。呢個喂
It's Germany.
and Austria
I feel like this is her name.
呢個就意大利六大陸北韓呢個 Netherlands Belgium 同埋 Switzerland。其實得呢個係真係煩。
Wait, Causeway Bay. Is this you? Cruz Wong. It says it's in Causeway Bay.
There are a few bajillions of these ones.
See Causeway Bay.
I don't live
You're
in
in Causeway Bay.
I don't live in
You're in Causeway Bay.
You
right
moronic
now.
moron!
You're in Causeway Bay.
How
right now.
dare you! Is it working?
We don't even have
I
UI.
have a feel like
You're the one who the German also plays the music.
德國咁樣嘅，可以整個德國。
Error detection code fails to execute water plug
Germany
temporarily.
德國咁耍嘅，呢個整翻個。
Relax.
Poop. Sorry, can I listen to that? Ow. Kill issue.
Wasting my code completion.
Yeah, I'm really gonna
Now I only have 1,999 code completions left.
德國咧， 咁呢幾嚿啊？
Oh my
Oh
goodness!
my goodness!
I shook too hard. If I don't shake, what if I really still? Yeah, then if I shake real mad, it's Ultra Monkey Store. Oh my goodness, my thing lagged! No, stop!
It cannot
My website's no, it's lagging after you tone it down.
打嚟食
The Ultra Monkey Storm.
Make it run on other stuff like Google servers.
你呢嚿嘅話，你打落去咯，跟住然後你。
Make it so that someone needs to log in to
No.
if you shake too much, you'll set you've reached this month's monthly.
Divided by 2. Wait.
You've reached this month's
Divided by
monthly
2.
limits.
Oh my goodness, it's lagging so hard.
You have reached this month's monthly limit. To unlock more monkeys, monkey store.
Please tone down the amount of monkeys spawn.
To raid more
in
monkeys,
the
please upgrade to our pro
ultra
subscription.
monkey
Yeah.
tour.
And then add like a
monkeys
Google account.
per frame makes my Mac
Hey, what's our type? Do you
explode.
say P5JS or like the other?
Oh, no, I'm gonna make it tone down first because this thing instantly crashes. Like you can see it lag. You can see it lag.
So lagging.
Yeah, it's lagging. If you do correctly, it lags so hard.
Wait, can you make it so when it rages too much, say that you need to unlock
No,
control?
see, oh, I don't shake here, and I try to hold it, and then if I freak out, if I actually freak out, oh wait, did it just tone it down? Wait, I toned it down. It toned it down. Keep it, yeah, no crashy. No crashy.
Wait. Yeah, tone it down.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna make the, I'm gonna set the, what do you call it?
I bring my Mac.
Shake threshold to first, I'm gonna double the threshold.
Since my alternate doesn't know what I'm going to bring my Mac.
What? Oh, the threshold is like 100? Dude, what on earth are you doing?
Anyway, so what we have done.
Anime?
Oh.
Anime?
No.
Anime?
What is bro
Sir, it doesn't
talking
work.
about?
Wait, send me the file.
You want more time?
Send me the.
Dude, it's not.
Oh, it
doesn't
just
work.
crashed. It decided to crash.
Every time I ask it to improve, it doesn't even improve at
Yeah,
all.
it doesn't. It does not.
It does not improve. It just stays the same.
Monkey simulator.
It is a feature. It's not a bug.
Okay, is it working now?
Send me the file.
Is it working? Does it have any
Bruce, why
display
don't
now?
you send me a
No
Wait,
display.
please wait.
Does it ever
It
work?
crashes.
No,
I
never.
actually fixed
You're
this.
so mean.
Hmm.
What happened?
Something.
What's your IP address?
Wait, I think I could summon the. No, it like actually crashes.
But for your previous postnet stuff, it didn't work as well. It worked.
No, it didn't work. It didn't work. The previous one.
Hmm. That's weird. Or have you tried this prompt yet? What if you just follow this one and see if it works first?
Okay.
And then you
I'll
can
try
change some stuff in here.
that. Okay.
For example, you change this condition or change the result. But
Wonder Storm.
you can try the
Storm.
similar first.
I cast Thunder Spell.
Nuclear missiles incoming.
What?
What is?
No, wait! Make it so that a nuclear missile tracks you, and if it hits you, you explode. Boom!
Crazy.
And then Kim Jong-un flashes saying that, you die, or something like that. Peak.
Track my
Actual peak though. That
and,
is.
and it touches my hand.
You
It
explode.
explodes.
And Kim Jong-un shows up.
Kim Jong-un shows up.
Okay.
That's so Kim. And Kim Jong-un says, you die, or something.
Haha, you die. Spawn one missile every 10 seconds.
Oh, okay.
似乎你都係做撈緊 post 嘅。
Yeah.
Sorry, I can't assist you with that.
Peak.
No.
喂，先呢嚿係咩嚟嘅？
Find me something too extreme.
Does this work?
咩叫 color changer？
Oh wait, that cursor can go more extreme than profile.
I cast Thunder Spell.
整個 cap 就會轉我唔知佢。
Does this work?
Remove the how you die thing. Because it's too broken. And then you go,
Your request has been blocked as our system has detected suspicious activity from your account.
Remove the how you die. Remove how you
They
die.
blocked me because there's suspicious activity.
Because you always mention Kim Jong-un.
Kim Jong-un! I'm surprised it's not blocking when you mentioned Hitler.
Yeah.
I know it's gonna happen at some point, but
Anyway,
I'll delete the Kim Jong-un.
so for this kind of interactive artwork, we have to consider the inclusive criteria. So
it crashes again.
for example, so it might work on you, and then you have to think about others as well. So you think about how to make everyone works using your AI model. So
It literally crashes when
so
I
you can
send in the
adjust
Ultra
some
One.
stuff as well.
哇！你嗰個突然間 work 咗，
It was too suspicious.
成日為咗大概近電池，太近呢個嘢。
And you can see in the documentation, even Postnet itself, it uses accessibility concerns. So
佢左右
they try to make everyone be able to use this kind of AI.
I can't.
And this is for advanced. So for advanced, you don't have to make this thing, but this is what I made previously, and it's about so. Currently, you're using motion mainly, but it's not limited to your camera. So you can actually use it with other stuff. For example, what if I generate a song using my heart rate, or my muscle activity, or whatsoever.
Okay, that's not peak.
So these are some other stuff that you can generate using AI.
Notice cast thunder spell.
For example, I can generate something like this, where here could be my connect to my real heart rate monitoring stuff to check my heart rate, and then we paint something according to my heart rate. Yeah, so you don't have to be. It doesn't have to be your only your motion, but it can also
Yay!
be your other biological
It has been crashed now.
stuff
Okay.
by using sensors. And then
If I'm using Copilot, it doesn't say it's.
yeah, so you can use this stuff as well. So it's not only limited.
I changed
So
the
this is
size
what-
of plates and it worked.
In fact,
No way!
this is what Elon Musk is doing. So on Neuralink. So Neuralink essentially
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk.
God.
So he tried to use neural wave. So he thinks that there's when human make a certain decision or something,
It poops.
your brain
What?
actually transmit a signal to the neurons. So that neuron is passed by Neuralink and to predict what you want to do. So Neuralink is the thing on the head.
Sure didn't work.
Neuralink.
喂，但係佢而家 show 唔到嗰啲點
I
出嚟
can。control.
This thing on the head. And this can help some
Why is it not working?
佢有佢哋需要。
So this guy is paralyzed, so he can't move. But with Neuralink can help his hand to move essentially. So this thing is an implant chip in his brain, and he's able to use that brain, use that chip to move his arm,
Donkey Kong.
which is paralyzed.
Ooga booga.
OK
It works so well. Let's go.
So in the last part, we'll talk about how Postnet actually do this kind of joint detection. So this is complex. So for advanced, so this is the theory behind. You don't have to do assignment for this. But so essentially, how AI actually works when they process images is through this thing called CNN. It's not the news, the CNN, not the CNN. It's called convolutional neural network. In Chinese, it's 卷積神經網絡, but it doesn't make sense. So what it does is that first,
Why is it mirrored?
when you try to understand an image, first you pass in an image, and then you pass in a matrix, and that matrix you apply some other function to make the image smaller by doing some matrix operation, computation, And this process is called feature maps. So you make the big image smaller, 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 and you flatten it, and you pass through a fully connected neural network and use a function to distinguish whether, and you pass this kernel or this matrix throughout the whole image. So you have like a lot of small computed compressed image, and those compression eventually leads to one score, and this score is actually the label of the AI based on different. So for example, you have like 10% chance is a dog, 70% chance is a zebra, and 20% chance is a horse. And one very famous example is 賭神, 賭俠. Is the one 賭俠70%機啦係。This thing. So this is a very old Hong Kong movie about gambling. So this gambling is about. So they talk about there's some bad people that operate the casino, and they have the CCTV, and that CCTV they try to, and that main character, something he tried to hide his card, and only a small edge is exposed it. And the casino tried to use the CCTV to predict based on that little edge, what is the percentage chance of each card. And you can see here the highest chance is ace. And eventually that guy, something he knows about this trick the casino used, so he used a he used a stick, he used a little.
I watched that.
Yeah. He used that thing to pretend it's the sharp edge from ace, but it's actually not, and to fool the casino. I think if there's a short video, you can see it. Nope, it's too long. Okay, never mind. So and that camera, technically, you should use CNN to do it, because to do those kind of prediction. So machine learning pipeline, which we have shown previously. So data collection, feature engineering, model training, evaluation, deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. So that is the whole process of how PostNet is created. So it first finds some data from Coco dataset, and then do some feature engineering to drop some irrelevant data, do some filtering, aggregation and stuff, and then they do the training. So for example, they have like tons of data of a human poster, and then it's labeled with the 3D joints. And they use that for training the AI. And after training, they do some testing on the AI model. It's like having examinations for the AI, and to see how many score they can score in the examination. And if they score really high score, and they deploy the AI into the server for others to use as well. And that constitutes to what you have on your hand now, the PostNet essentially. So this is CNN. So in really simple terms, it's like looking into small part of the image first, and then just make it smaller and smaller to understand bit by bit.
Why is there one? That's why you left on there.
Yep, and it trains, and it tries to predict a heat map that about what the detected object is.
Do you have email? Oh, easy.
Oh yeah, so this is the step-by-step of how to create a joint detection model. So your input is an RGB image, and you do some feature extraction, which essentially has the visual patterns, edge, texture, and stuff. And then you generate a heat map of each key point. So it's like a probability mapping.
So
And then you compute offset and get the output. Yep. Let's skip this. Yep, so we talk about applied artificial intelligence in the beginning, right? So this is actually the major trend now, because building a model from scratch is way too expensive. As you can see, OpenAI, Google, Gemini, Anthropic, Claude, DeepSeek, Doubao from Douyin. Those are really expensive models. It costs like billions of dollars to build one.
Called Poopy.
So it's super expensive. But
I have named it.
if you want to make your own AI model, you can still do it by fine-tuning their model. And we call that supervised fine-tuning, which is essentially, for example, now you have ChatGPT, and then you want it to help you to do, I will show you an example actually. So, a supervised fine-tuning is, so we call that SFT, supervised fine-tuning. And what it does is that, essentially, for example, this is just a very random example.
Right? It's averages per game, not gaming. Can you check your senses?
For example, I don't have the money to build my own ChatGPT, right? But I can do supervised fine-tuning by, for example, I want to create a fitness GPT, and this guy is the fitness coach of me to tell me the workout plan and the meal routine, etc. So I feed in my own data to the AI and ask it to learn from my pattern and give me some suggestions based on the pattern I gave. So this is an example of supervised fine-tuning. And you should be doing the same on your PostNet application, because sometimes the model that works well on Google or on their site might not work well on you, because maybe you are taller or shorter than the training data, maybe you are, I don't know, your eyes is more wide compared with the training data or more narrow. So those divergence can can make the AI model less accurate when it's processing you. So you have to do that tuning as well.
Firing.
And then the last part is about ethical. So AI ethics. So what does that even mean is that, so in this final hour, oh wow, I'm really accurate. This final hour, nice. So in this final hour, we'll examine how PostNet and AI might fail to or be misused by others. And we can discuss how to mitigate those uses. So for example, if you're a bad person, how will you use PostNet? I have so for example, it's the casino, right? You have the CCTV, and you can use PostNet or other image recognition stuff to detect whether it is an ace or a nine or something. So yeah.
Because
My email rejected the message. You didn't send it.
So yeah, so this is a bit background of PostNet. So PostNet actually didn't see you, and it didn't save data to the cloud or anything. So the data is stuck on your device, and it only reduced you to 70 key points. So it didn't know you are you. It only know that your joint is here, your nose is here, and stuff. You have no concept of person. So it has no identity. It doesn't know your face. It doesn't know your name. It doesn't know your appearance and stuff. It just know that point X, point Y is my nose or my mouth or whatsoever. But yeah, but even with those, it can be imperfect because the lighting, the motion can affect the performance of the thing. So, but there are some drawbacks of PostNet, and you might want to tune it in your actual application. For example, people distortion, where sometimes AI just fail to tell where your eyes or nose is, and it might sometimes think that your head is your nose or something. And then there's also multi-people confusion, where when there's multiple people in the same camera frame, it just fails to detect. So yeah, so we want to make our AI or our model to be able to process all those pictures.
Because everyone hates me. Throw all that in a folder, that should work.
Oh yeah, this is an actual usage of PostNet, which is a bit sensitive, so we keep it here. Don't say that I tell you this. It's about smart city.
We walk.
So you know there's a thing called smart lamp, right? 智慧燈柱. It's a popular thing in China now, especially. So essentially, this is a real thing. So in China, this is in Shenzhen, I think. So in Shenzhen, they have some lamp on the road, and those lamp actually have a camera on it, and they utilize technologies like PostNet, but it's not essential. It's not only PostNet. And this thing is able to identify people from your adults, you have long sleeve, long trousers, male, gray upper and gray lower as well. So it is able to classify you and label you and basically mark down what you have done in your daily lives. So yeah, this is the gap recognition, and this is a bit concerning, especially to the public in the Chinese government, because people think that you can be tracked without your consensus. So wherever you go, you're always watched, and you basically lose your privacy, they think. So this technology is used for policy in China and could be a powerful tool for monitoring. So yeah, so our application is rather safer compared to that. A lot safer actually, but essentially those tasks, even for PostNet, it looks harmless. But if you're using it in a bad way, it can be very dangerous as well. Actually, there's a fun story I can share. So, two fun stories actually. So I used to work for an AI startup, and we built one project in one famous shopping mall that I think most of you have been to. That is WeWalk. I don't know if you've been to WeWalk. WeWalk.
Where's
shopping mall
WeWalk?
in Hong Kong. WeWalk. This shopping mall is in Century Po, upper Nam Chong. And that project we did actually use PostNet. So what we did, the thing we do is, because you know in shopping mall, there's always the floor is slippery sign, right? And from time to time in the shopping mall, there will be some people that slip down and they fall down, and it's painful, but yeah, they just slip down. So essentially, our AI model detects when people slip down there in WeWalk. So now you know for the CCTV in WeWalk, it's passed through our AI model. And then the people that slip down, because you can detect from the joint, right? So when your arm suddenly fall to the ground and your leg suddenly turn from this to this, then you're probably fall down, right? So this is a use case we use in WeWalk. This is a real one. And we use that to detect if people fall down there. And we also detect if there's a water nearby. So if there's a potential very slippery ground, and we ask the staff to put the ground slippery sign. So that is one application. And the other one is rather more scary. So it's about APM. APM is more famous, I guess most of you.
APM.
Yeah, APM.
Got my new glasses.
So this is rather a scary story, but we can still talk about that. Is that from time to time there's people that for some reason chose to suicide in APM. There's like 3 cases throughout the year. So our AI model essentially, so APM actually asks us, because you know, if there's someone suiciding in APM, your mall can't operate, right? Can't operate at all. So they ask us to scan the people that has the suspicious activity of potential suiciding, and then we try to label it, and then just ask the staff to help to
throw it in monkey.
For example, if there's a chance of you suiciding, then just go there and help you and stuff. So, but this didn't work eventually. So why it didn't work? So there's a few reasons it didn't work. So the first reason is that too slow, yes. And the second reason is that there's too less sample data. So especially for AI models, we need tons of data, and there's only free data throughout the years, which is a good thing, but hard for us to construct the AI model. And the third thing is that it's actually really hard to determine a person's incentive to do something. Because originally we planned to make an AI model to do that. And the way we do that is by when a person, because we notice a common pattern of people doing that is that they walk around on and off from the
All the time.
same places. But eventually we find out that because the common spot is the spot near the toilet. So there's actually a bunch of people walking on and off every single day because people might be waiting for their friends or I mean I sometimes walk on and off from the toilet as well. So it's really hard to determine the incentive. But that is
Let me see that last line.
example of the application of
Yeah.
because even for this kind of use case you can use it.
而家覺得行即係
有鬼行你行佢嘅即係
因為我哋發現三段 video 有個 common effect，佢哋會即係佢掙扎好耐，諗好耐，跟住之後成為同一個位咁樣。因為 GPM 好神奇嘅，佢有幾玻璃嘅位得幾個嘅。
Ask the AI.
或者一跨就跳。
Please ask the AI, please.
係。
點解咁神奇整咗乜？
總之最尾就好難做咯，但係呢個係 hosting 嘅一個就係去做呢一個 application。Anyway, this is rather scary, but yeah, so that is one type of use case in different malls.
所以嗰幾個 cam 仲喺度。
哇，咁個 cam 係正常嘅 cam CCTV 嘅，本身都係。
正常嘅。但係你咪加咗。
我哋係將佢哋條 video send 去我哋嘅 AI model，但係後邊冇做到，所以係啦。Anyway, so oh yeah, so for piracy, so this is about
Piracy.
yes, so.
It's a party.
So we in AI we always have a thing called bias variance trade-off. So what it means is that it's hard for you. So there no, it's wrong. Wait, it's called explainability bias trade-off. Let me find wrong trade-off in AI. This one, accuracy whatever. So
Yeah.
it means that when the AI model is easily interpretable, for example, like linear regression, so the rule is really simple. It's usually the case that the accuracy is not that high. But when the interpretability is really low, like ChatGPT, like that even the founder doesn't know why the result, why the input generate that result, the accuracy is sometimes very high. Like deep learning is one of the examples. So this trade-off between black box and accuracy is always a debate and concern for every AI developer. Yeah, so and there's also a bias in models. So for example, actually each of you can try to open Grok and then ask Grok to generate an image of a doctor. So chances are it will generate a white male doctor. And that is because of the training data bias. So it's hard and there's much less data of a female black woman as a doctor. So that is the bias in the model. And as a good and responsible individual, we have to fix that because it's not appropriate, right? So you have to do some stuff to fix it. And also, yeah, so even for postnet, which is for our case, we have to make the postnet inclusive as well. So even like if you're thinner or you're more wide or whatsoever, your body is still captured and function properly in our postnet model.
I want to lick you.
What?
What?
Oh.
Dude! What did you say there?
Him, not me.
What did I do? What is he talking about?
Bro needs to get out.
Let's go screen shake.
So yeah, so we want to
So
mitigate the bias in our AI model. And yeah, so for example, if you notice that some kind of users is harder to detect by your AI model, like for example, if you notice your classmate who is shorter than you is always not detected by the AI model, and you can set certain rules explicitly for them. For example, if they're is shorter, then you just lower the confidence threshold so they can be joining the game as well. And then you can also provide some alternative method for them to interact with your AI model.
You want two monkeys?
Nice.
It works.
I mean, what do you expect?
I just stuck in loading postnet.
Yep. So even for your project in the final, for your final project, you have to make the model more public friendly. So it is usable for general public, not only for you or not only for your friend, but
How does centrals work?
and yeah. So okay, so the last part is rather chill. So we'll have a class discussion. No more assignment and stuff.
Discussion.
Oh wait, before that, you can submit. Okay, later.
For the monkeys?
So yeah, so
Okay.
we can have a discussion about ethical use of post AI.
薯片係咪叫嘅？
Wait a second.
插佢都係一隻關係我淨係做一次。
Oh yeah, by the way, I'll talk about the submission first.
Oh,
So
no.
for, for submission later, you have to submit a few
real hard to
things.
screen shake.
So the
Like,
first
it's
thing you have to
really
submit,
hard.
hey,
It's really hard.
so you have to submit a few things. So the first thing you have to submit is the P5JS code for PostNet just now that you have created. And you have to submit that by zipping it. And the second thing you have to submit is, okay. And the second thing you have to submit is a short reflection on their artwork. So your generated work. So it's about 300 words, which is easy because you can use AI for that. I don't care. So you can use AI to generate the reflection, but I mean you can put some of your feeling as well. So and then yeah, and then you can talk about a few things. So even if you're using AI, there's a few things that you have to talk about. So the first thing is what did you create and why? And I hope you're not using AI for this one.
I created an empty storm because I'm bored.
And the second thing is that you have to talk about the technical process. So how do you use PostNet to make that thing? This one you can use AI, I think. And the third thing, I hope you are not using AI, is the, addressing the bias and the limitation. So what is the limitation in your current algorithm? For example, when the background is dark, PostNet doesn't work in your work case, or it doesn't detect your friend in a wheelchair really well. So you can have some issues that you notice and how do you solve those problems. And then you acknowledge on the ethical side. So for example, since when the background is dark, it didn't work, then my model might not be inclusive enough or whatsoever. So you can explain about the ethical side as well.
I'm telling the modern.
So yeah, so this is the thing you should have in your reflection.
I need the screen shake to be way more chaotic.
Okay, what's your
So now these are some questions that you can think about for when you construct the reflection as well. So for example, where do you think using PostNet or
you're not in our
acceptable or beneficial?
Dude, don't be mean.
yeah.
And then where would it be inappropriate? And then what could artists use to prevent misuse of those apps? And if you have to make a fun, interactive art piece with PostNet, then what would it be? And like, is there anyone that would be excluded by this case?
I'm tripling the screen shake.
So yeah. So what do you prefer? You prefer us discussing, or I give you some time to work on your work?
Either way, work.
Whatever.
No, the triggers to
Work? Okay.
easy to turn.
Then I'll
I'm gonna tweak.
then I'll post the stuff into shop for L.
Monkey storm. Maximum monkey storm. Okay, wait. I'm almost.
I think it's too much.
No, this is normal. This is normal Ultra Monkey Storm, and then if you shake it real hard, screen shake, and then spam. Alright.
Send it to me. Personally,
I'm
I
gonna
like the
package it.
screen shape. No, don't package it. Just
In the
send me
zip
the
file, in
download.
the zip file, in the zip file.
Okay, sure. I thought you're like gonna package it in like exe into that.
Monkey shake
I want the
exe.
source code.
Alright, I'm gonna save everything and then I'll need to get your
I'm still on
email.
the Ultra Monkey Storm 1.0. No speed shake and no bar.
Compress monkey summoner, not alright, we have the monkey as a summoner, that's it. Alright, your
Okay.
email.
Let me go with you.
We're gonna get you first.
No,
Trees Pro game, then
My nose activates the Monkey Storm. See?
嚇？喂，會唔會係再係 spam 呢個？好會嚟㗎。
This is file.
URL.
Dude, stop Norting the camera! That's gross!
Wait, no, not apple juice. The Hotmail one.
Oh, yeah.
Because Gmail blocked you.
Again.
So you can go to this website here to check your requirement on today's submission. So this is the last thing you have to submit. And the submission channel is in the last page
Too many hidden files.
here.
It's
So
so hard to navigate.
it is about the reflection stuff and all the stuff you have to submit today. So it's just the code and also the reflection essentially. You can go to this website here. Here.
To submit?
To check the requirement and submit. Yes.
Please don't submit my project though.
Why?
Go to this website here.
I'll tweak stuff, of course.
Alright,
Okay.
set.
Because I think personally,
Oh, I have the QR code.
personally I think
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, set.
Generator.
oh yeah, I forgot. Every time you send something from Mac, there's like a secret file.
Yeah, I sent this.
Yeah, send
It's
it.
probably in the junk
You use Gmail, right?
folder.
Oh yeah, sometimes Gmail doesn't
Junk me.
let him
Alright, now I need to submit the monkey storm.
Scan this.
now let's open VS Code. Oh, it's not live. Oh, live.
No.
Okay, it should,
Yeah.
it should now.
And then you can work on your project, and when you're done, you can submit it in the.
I need to write 300 words.
You can use AI to do it.
Oh no, I don't think I want to use AI to do this.
Nice. That's a good attitude.
Let's go all
But yeah.
Readme.md.
Some of what?
Okay, that's works.
Oh, screen shake.
Readme.metadata.
Good
Alright,
and
now have to
Bruce,
find.
try.
good and
Booga booga. It's kind of jank.
It's kind of
The
jack
shank, the shake power. It's really hard to consistently activate.
I'm
Booga
gonna change
booga.
things, but I think it's too easy to activate.
Nah, you have to wave like a maniac in order to.
問翻佢啊，你講翻啲咯。
And I think that's good, so that's why I feel like 150 is fine.
Okay. Nice.
Max monkey,
寫翻啲威咩？
1000 fine.
唔係佢嗰個
Base
條
bond
拎
rate
由
is
你去呢條用，
is
佢全
zero.
部嘢 submit 啲名
Max
佢全
bond
部俾
rate
晒。
is
嗰條 link 係邊？啱啱佢
50,
熟，
it's
但係
wonderful.
我都冇，佢係 tiny UI 啊。
Say, and then what
直
do
情
we
等應該
say?
會再出多次。
Hello and welcome to the
I'm gonna shake like a maniac.
Oh my god, what is happening?
Shake like a maniac. Screen shake.
This one is
We have a lot of copies of Monkey Storm
how
now.
to secure code.
It's totally not a virus, by the way.
Yeah, monkey storm virus. Wait,
The Monkey
you
Storm
just
virus.
gave me inspiration. Make the monkey storm actually like lock your computer to only show the screen.
Oh my god, do not.
And activate your webcam.
Do not, you make it with electron.
Monkey
though.
Storm the virus.
Make it with electron.
但係而家係話要 load stop 晒。
Oh, electron. So you wanna package it?
Yeah.
係咯，但係唔知點解指示仲有。
Otherwise, you can't really like lock it in like.
Yeah.
something that.
I'm gonna put it in my ransomware test. Please don't.
升咩係升嚟？嗱，升個10鋪先係咁樣係升。你有 risk 嘅，然之後有隻手喺上面，呢個係
Oh yeah, I took a picture of you in the FTR last time. I'm going to raise that picture instead of monkey. Cruise star.
Please don't.
It's different.
咁樣係升嚟嘅，即
I'm going to do the Easter store. McDonald's store.
Oh my god, it's so peak.
Baby store.
at least 佢整到啲嘢出嚟，基本上我唔會at least 佢呢個 test 咁。
Channel your inner monkey power and summon waves of
at
monkeys.
least 佢 test
So cringe.
係啊。
That's so cringe. Your inner monkey.
真係遠少少下喎。
Inner monkey power.
我講嗰樣
Monkey monkey.
嗰樣手腳。
Wait, wait, what is the Taiwan?
Let's see.
I wonder how it can get into 300 words using. It's been a
你
long
嗰個
time
點樣腳法？
What? Wait.
擺即 touch 擺住但係我你點試？我試先，我轉下先。
To make a zip compressed file on your Mac,
Just attaching the instruction in case you're not, you don't know how to sit.
Tiny URL. Go to this website here, and the website is literally just a link to
It's
the
here.
presentation.
Yeah, it's this one. These are the stuff that you have to submit. In this deck.
Speedrun.
Cruise run.
Not funny.
Not funny. Cruise, that was not funny. Seriously, Cruise. Someone could get
我
serious
人
to
手
work.
time link 要快嘅，你 link 條口佢嘅。
Cruise, that is so dangerous, Cruise.
What is bro talking about?
Cruise. You don't know Cruise? Ah, here we go.
What is bro
I'm going to rate this
talking
photo.
Oh, stop!
I'm going to send it to my brother. And then I'm going to open my WhatsApp here and download the image. And Cruise.
睇到啊，已經係睇到。
Is it clear? Anyone don't know what to submit? You go here and then you will
Yes,
see it.
wait. Chill out.
Monkey.
哦，原來submit 咗
All good?
係有另外一條 link。
Not yet.
And then I will see
link
how
will
many
be
of
there,
you have
like-
submitted the
I
previous
have no idea why
呢個係
understand.
PowerPoint 咋。
But what's bronze, silver, and gold?
Now it should rain cruises.
So this thing?
That's right. Oh my god, it's raining cruises!
That's
Oh
not
my
funny!
God.
It's raining you!
It's so peak.
It's a peak, and it still says Ultra Monkey Store.
It's so peak, guys.
It still says Ultra Monkey Store. You're a monkey, Cruise. Cruise. Cruise
What did
on.
this guy add? What did this guy add?
Surround sound.
What did this little guy add?
Those images in the car.
Can I just do this? No. It doesn't detect it. It's a
Wow, some
lie.
of you submitted already.
It's a lie.
How do we submit? Where's the link?
It's in the last page of this slide.
Oh.
So everything
Is that the
in this
first
slide.
one, like the self-portrait?
Yeah,
Or
the
is that
first one
my
is
one?
self-portrait, right?
Oh, it's the
Is
same-
that actually
same
zip? I wonder who that is.
I'm not making monkey summer, I'm making the cruise.
Please don't. It's gonna be really cringe. Are you cringe?
Yes.
He might be.
Oh,
I'm autistic.
that's
Who?
cringe. Please don't though. I want to preserve my dignity. I don't want it rating my face.
He's gonna say you don't have dignity.
Oh, thanks.
I think he's gonna say it. It's just like, this is like, why are his beef so bad?
Ooga ooga.
Man.
This is what I'm talking about.
This is what I'm talking about, is peak. Dude, what do you mean it's not? I tell it to add the skeleton and it just says, oh, it's added. It's not. It's not, dude.
Okay, I updated.
Not funny.
Ultra Cruise Storm.
Oh my god. I actually have no words. Hold on, so this is peak.
Haha, so original.
This should be like 2K at some point, right?
Oh my god, my hands are so tired. What do you mean so original?
That's sarcasm.
I changed stuff.
I can't believe I actually made Monkey Storm work. I'm so happy.
Yeah, I really like Monkey Storm.
It's so original.
Yeah, now I'm changing the monkey variable to cruise.
I will slap you.
Please don't. I can't find another image for you. I'm going to make the ether story. This is the logo of this place.
Where do I submit it? Hold on. Where? What's the link here?
Copilot loads so slow.
Peak.
What are you doing now?
I can't wait for him to make peak again.
Make sure the AI hasn't broken anything. Okay, it still works.
Dude, what is the AI talking about? It says it fixed it and then it's not fixed.
I was just scratching my head and it activated the Ultra Cruise Storm.
He's gonna. The AI is gaslighting me. It's not.
Oh, we need to write a readme.
Yeah, you needed to write a readme.md.
Wow. Why does it need to be .md?
Cause Markdown's cool, alright?
Why do we need to write a readme? Can I use the readme template?
Whatever.
It's cool.
Oh, and you click this. Oh wait, it's lagging. Okay, here we go.
How to zip file.
Stop stealing my code.
I changed stuff.
The
Remember-
image.
Remember
No,
to
not only
submit
the
this.
image.
Not funny. Don't. I have placed proof in my code to prove that I'm the original one.
Really? We'll
I
see about
changed
that.
the shake effect.
Alright. I'll let you slide.
You can have more time, so you can submit
And
before
it
next
spawns a
lesson.
bit less stuff
Submit
because my computer is
before
trash.
next
See, I did optimizations of the code for my own computer.
next week 9 off. 8 lah.
Now this should be ultra easy to
Yeah,
do.
this is your submission time. Before August 8th. So we have
You're
plenty
not
of
even
time.
trying hard enough. I'm gonna crash your laptop.
No, please don't. I made the
Remember-
threshold 70. First page. No.
That's all. Oh. I think I already summoned 100 monkeys. I mean me.
Relax.
I think I already summoned 100 me's in like 10 seconds.
You can ask the AI to have a limit for
Well,
that.
something bad has happened.
What?
It spawned 100 monkeys.
It's now crashed.
Yeah, it used to. It
Now
almost
it's
crashed.
normal.
Okay.
Stop using pictures of me. Please, I beg you.
What if I make the Shrek rain?
Shrek rain, yeah.
How about tacos?
No.
Tacos is the OG, man. No, I don't do finger.
Alright.
Okay, it is drawing it.
I can fit. Mine's at 100.
Is it recognizing?
I need 100 more
It
words. I
might
need
be
exactly
recognized.
100 more words.
What are funny things to rain down?
Bombs.
Sure.
The face of Donald Trump.
Yes.
I think Kim Jong Un is
Kim Jong-un and bombs.
bombs.
Make them
Bombs.
alternate.
Bombs.
Make them
Oh, yeah.
alternate.
See, yours only have one. Mine.
I'm gonna make it random then. I'll beat you to it.
Oh my god, what is happening?
Bombs. Let's make a little boy and fat man.
Yeah.
Why?
Transparent image. Little boy. I am
Monkey image.
I am
Fat
a
boy
little
and
Let's-
little.
Monkey
fat man.
image.
Fat boy and
Ooh.
little man.
Fat
You're
boy.
so funny.
You're
Fat
so
boy
fat.
Fat boy isn't overclocked. Like
Oh, it's W into ET.
it's
If
P.
something is WE, I have extensions that save something as JPG automatically.
Reload.
Stop flexing.
Simcom.
What's?
I'm going to make 3 different things.
It's not showing.
Little boy,
The AI might be stupid, Chad.
little boy.
What? Oh my god, it's
Fat
Sim
man.
Kong.
Yeah, but mine's funnier. I'm fat man.
Yeah, but might insult people. Who knows?
Insult who?
People,
Hiroshima.
the Hiroshima nuclear bomb begins to
No, but Hiroshima was the little boy. This is just fat man.
okay, but it's not P, guys.
Fat man was in Nagasaki, right?
Hiroshima.
Nuclear explosion.
Please.
Transparent.
Manipulation.
Oh wait, you're gonna
It's
make them
all about
fall and then once they hit the
manipulation.
screen, it's gonna explode
It's
too.
all about manipulation. Ha ha ha.
What's
Okay, this is P. Let's reload.
Life is evil.
Life is P.
Life is no, it's a joke. I was trying to, whatever.
This looks good.
I don't think life is evil.
I know.
Yeah, we all know.
Is this supposed to be random?
Did what? Okay, so the AI does not understand instructions. pretty sure it just does not.
JPG and faxman.jpg. And when they touch.
Not funny! I could tell what you're trying to do at this point.
At this point, just let him finish, like, and then you see what
It
he's doing.
crashed!
For 1 second. I'm not adding the Kim Jong
Okay,
because I'm going to.
This is now.
It'll flag me and say I'm suspicious again.
Yes.
Just add a picture of Kim Jong Un, you monkey.
Just add bombs. There's no point.
Little boy, that's man, nuclear. It's searching, it's searching.
Well, hold on. It doesn't just.
Out to the nuclear fallout storm, yay! Chernobyl hope.
Oh yeah, the guy called Chernobyl Hope.
How old is Chernobyl hope now?
Random.
What little facts?
Little fat.
Little facts.
So we have a few more minutes.
Nah, Fat Boy is more
Little
peak.
facts. Boy mad.
You're not completely unrelated, but do you know this?
Please don't.
There's a Yoshi called.
So this is our AI course. So we will share it to you, and then we will regularly send you some AI tips. So please feel free to scan our QR code.
我攞下先，攞下先。
一陣唔使嘅，我知開級嚟嘅兩個嘢有個爆嘅，最邊有
最邊嗰行呢？我都記得係有嘅。
或者你會唔會傳我
Do you want to read drawing paper?
宣傳單嘅。
Pass it.
Oh, supposedly works now. Let me check.
呢個唔係宣傳單張，佢係咩？有張。
Oh no! Oh no! It crashed.
Oh my lord.
Okay, let's see. Was it you that made Max Monkeys 1,000?
Oh my god.
Was it?
Skill
you?
issue.
It was 106. It was 200, right? For Max Monkeys. Don't understand me. What to do? It's too easy to activate Max Cruise prices.
Max Cruise. What does that?
Oh, if you're not aware, I'm called Cruz.
I know. No, I mean, like, what does that do?
Max
Oh,
Monkeys
basically,
prices.
screen shake.
Okay. I don't think it can crash. Okay, never mind. On second thought, it will.
It will. I tried.
Eventually.
I know. I tried. If you set the spawn rate to like 100, it's 100 monkeys every frame.
Is it like, I wonder if it's because of the graphics?
Okay, so I guess we can end today. So
It's crashing.
And
grandma, whatever. So I guess yeah, you know what I mean. So just
Okay, now.
how many
now what
words
should
does
we
the
fix?
thing have to be again?
300.
Oh,
It's fine.
Oh,
You can use AI.
I 208 currently.
So
This
Oh
is
my
hard.
god. I'm gonna make it transparent.
Why
it's a
don't
very
I
basic
load?
recap. Is
Oh, no, it's a new.
body as brush and post that.
No, this is actually awesome.
That's all.
Yeah.
So
Fat
I
man
guess you
at
can
the
go
floor.
if your parents is here, then you can go.
It's
If
already
your parents not here, you
gone.
can go as well.
I have to change the file format.
2, See you next week.
I'm submitting this later, right?
Wait, let me submit this.
Can I
first.
submit it later?
now?
No, before 8 August. 8 August.
Oh, easy.
Oh,
6 days later.
I'll do
Can I
this.
submit it now?
Maximum cruise crisis. Wait, no, I mean,
Cruise missile crisis.
Didn't you literally change the picture of me into a nuke?
no, yeah, I changed everything. I just
Cruise
forgot
missile
to change the
crisis.
name, like cruise crisis.
I don't think I am a nuke.
And I need to optimize it further.
No ring now. So nice.
Really?
See ya. See you next week.
Timon已經係喂
What do you mean no? Wait.
Kim Jong-un
What do you mean no? What do you mean no? Say what do you mean? What is what do you mean no? What do you mean no? What do you
我唔係食麥當勞。
What? 你要過嚟啊！Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry.
全部人都係800個錢交啊，係慢慢仲有6日。
咁即係
我未。
即係 project 同埋 code，做咗真係800個錢交。
總之你 session 2嗰啲嘢。Part condition。Award day reward。